wrapped around my band. Got the fastest car in Zoo. I'm the highest in the room.
We are live. Big news. We got all the news behind us. I'm actually.
What do we do with the drunken sailor? What do we do with the drunken sailor? What do we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
YouTube has this
what do we do with the drunken
algorithm
sailor?
thing
What
that
do we
I've
do
been
with the
watching. It's pretty
drunken
funny.
sailor? What do we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
Just the majority of the time it doesn't work.
She rises way,
Music's still
hey,
playing.
up she
Oh, God, the
rises
music.
way.
All right, now we're back. Background music. Music, music, music. It makes the real world better. Music. All right, all right. Well, I got bad news. I got some good news. I got some bad news. First bad news, I got rid of Greg. He just smiled too much. I cannot handle the guy smiling so much. So we're not gonna have Greg here today. We had to replace him. But luckily we still got Alex here. So don't worry, chat. We're gonna be okay. We've got Alex and not Greg today. So there's no worries. Everybody, don't worry. Are you guys sad? Is it bad that Greg's gone, or? Well, he does drive a Tesla, so I was like, they want. Oh shit, they want him. Wait, Ginger, call Greg if they want him. The chat wants him. I just couldn't handle his fucking. He's just smiling so much.
You killed him, didn't you?
Alex doesn't say much. Alex is my autistic friend.
I'm special.
He's my autistic friend. All right, we are doing it live at the BDH once again. Don't worry, Greg is here.
There
You can't
he
get rid of that
is.
guy. Look at him. He's
Look
too
at that.
beautiful. He's
Beaming.
too beautiful, man.
Too
Too
good.
beautiful.
I'm gonna keep it super serious.
It's a face
today.
only a mother could love.
No smiling.
We got to keep Greg on.
There we go.
Wow, you look really weird if you don't
No,
smile.
it's serious.
Now you got problems. You look like a weird person.
Now,
All
you,
right.
now you actually look like Rips.
All right, so today, boys, what do we got? What's the plan? Greg, tell us. Last night you went and watched the course a little bit.
I did. I watched the course.
How are you feeling after
I took
that?
copious
You've watched the
notes
course.
from the course.
Okay.
Really good, man. I'm definitely starting to realize my shortcomings. I was definitely trying to front load stuff. I was definitely trying to jump into trades way the heck too early.
Yeah.
So we're definitely going to slow down a lot today. And like a phoenix, we're about to rise from the ashes and fly.
All right, I like it.
Like a phoenix.
Alex.
So, yeah, I gotta learn when to cut my losers because I blew an eval yesterday. So we got to work on that. We're gonna take, like Pat said, we're gonna focus on taking just a couple of trades.
Couple trades a day,
and they gotta be
good
like
trades.
A plus trades.
Yeah.
So really gotta lock in today.
Hey, well, sometimes the best thing to do is just not take a trade.
True.
That's what we're going for. All right. Pulling up the NASDAQ here yesterday. Big move back up towards that VWAP, back down to the close or to the lows again. He held the lows basically into close. And then after hours, we dumped overnight, little push back up. And right now, 23,200. The overnight high is 23,227s. Huh. Look at the hourly chart here. Hey, no sneezing, sir. No, don't be sneezing on the set. We're live.
From the YouTube.
Someone says shorts all day. Oh, wow. All day shorts. Okay.
Wow.
We'll see. All right, overnight. We've got the overnight high, 23,224s. That is pretty clear. We've also got some resistance there from yesterday as well, that 230, 240 area. So resistance obviously there at the overnight high. We got this kind of low down here so far, 6 a.m. low. And then we got the like late night, last night low, all the way down there, 23,000. I'd say we basically pulled back into the middle of that fair value gap there on the big hourly candle from Monday. We had that big boner candle on Monday. We went straight to the moon. We pulled back. We are now kind of in the middle of that big boner candle. So obviously above 230, above 240, the longs might have a chance to try to push it back to that 23,400 level. But right now, yesterday's close, got a lot of stuff on the chart here. Yesterday's close down there, 23,130s. What are you guys seeing? What are you liking?
It's right in the middle of the channel. I'm going to wait until I have confirmation for my trade.
There you go.
Yeah, we're sitting right. I mean, like right in the middle. So
yeah,
I'd be hesitant to do anything right now.
I mean, even the like 5-minute chart this morning so far, just kind of chopping around, not really going anywhere. So good time to be patient. Let the market do what it's going to do. I'd say it's kind of looking maybe like a bit of a bear flag setup. If we get below the VWAP, maybe we move down to that low from the overnight.
23,113. Would you like it to just tap it, or would you?
23 what?
What's the overnight low?
Oh,
or is that yesterday's low? Overnight low. Where's that?
Yesterday's
That's all the
low
way
is
down
like
there at 23.45.
115, 114. Got yesterday's close there at the 130s. Patrick, can you make the market go down? I'm desperate. What do you mean you're desperate? The market hasn't even opened yet, bro, and you're already desperate? That's not a good sign. That is not a good sign. When somebody in the chat said they're already desperate. The market hasn't even opened and they're already calling for my name. We got some new stuff going on with the Funding Ticks, the new Funding Ticks 1 account. I know there's going to be some mixed results or some mixed reviews about this. I don't know if everyone will be happy, but I do think some people will be happy. If you look here, this is the new Funding Ticks 1 account. They've got the 1 account 35% off. Right now it's 177, so do the math, it's like 113. So the 50k account all in cost is like what, 113, and there's no caps on this. There's no consistency. There's no caps. I think this is wrong. It says every 7 days, but I believe that's wrong. It should be every 5 days, I believe. It's 1 day as well, 1 day to pass. I'm pretty sure it's 5 days. I gotta confirm, but right now the Funding Ticks 1 account, no consistency rule, and then no payout caps. So, but you do have a hard stop loss. You have a daily loss limit of $1,000 is your daily loss limit. So if you do break if you do breach the account or hit the account, you do lose the account. So that's the idea of getting the no cap, but also now you have that daily loss limit breach. What did you, Alex? What did you trade? You had a what? My Fund of Futures before?
I still have My Fund of Futures here.
Yeah. Why did you pick My Fund of Futures over some other prop firms out there?
Because
like when you got into this space.
Yeah, I mean, as a beginner trader, I've blown a lot of accounts. So
yeah.
It's the cheapest one out there. And I like the rules. They're not too hard. You know, the drawdown is end of day and not trailing, which is like Apex. It's for me, it's too tough. So all the rules that My Fund has, I like it.
I like it. I like it. You like it. I like it.
I like it. You like it.
And then we got Greg over there just smiling ear to ear.
Just smiling.
He's like, I never even bought a prop firm account before.
No. You're not saying it the right way. I've never blown up a prop firm account before.
Wait, actually, have you never? What's your account from yesterday at?
It was only minus 45 bucks, right?
$40. All right,
yeah, it's not bad at all.
He's on his way to blowing it up.
Gee,
he's on his way to blow it up. He's working his way there. Working his way there.
What's your favorite?
My favorite prop firm. Someone's gonna be butthurt when I say this. Mad. Honestly, it's
whatever's cheapest.
So you have it's this is a very a hard subject.
Now we're getting into the tough questions. It's Wednesday. We're getting into the tough ones.
Honestly, it comes down to what you're looking for, right? Apex allows you to trade 20 accounts, so you get crazy leverage. And you can get a $40,000 payout after basically like 7 days of trading or 8 days of trading. So when it comes to leverage pricing, your best bet is Apex. I think the funding ticks accounts right now, these funding ticks, the one accounts, pretty aggressive in terms of pricing and then not having the caps. The straight to funded accounts with funding ticks, the zero accounts, I really like those. Obviously, I've been trading those. Having no trailing loss, having no daily loss limit kind of really helps. It plays into, you know, what I'm doing here and how I'm trading. So, yeah, I mean, I'd say each prop firm has you know something to offer. It's hard to say which prop firm is the best out of all of them.
I agree.
Because every prop firm's a little different.
What is the profit target for the funding ticks 50K? Is it 3,000?
It's 4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
Okay.
That's what Pat did yesterday.
5,000. 5,000. All right. So I'd say like right now, kind of looking if we stay below maybe that 190 area, 200 area. And then we move back down here, but just kind of being patient. We got plenty of time here until market opens. Not even 9:15 yet. McDonald's announces their fourth quarter in the U.S. will outperform the third quarter. Wow. How did they know?
Dude, that's one of those silly things that's gotten so dumb expensive too. Like when I
McDonald's?
Yeah, my wife, 2 kids.
McDonald's?
The random times.
It is expensive.
Listen, the random time. We only go to McDonald's maybe like once every 5 months if we're on the road. It's like $60, $70 for 4 people.
Dude.
Which is not like, I remember.
The worst is becoming a millionaire, man, and it just totally ruins the value of everything. I picked up the Porsche yesterday, and the guy's like telling me how he's like, yeah, you need a new turbo. And I was like, oh, okay, like what's that gonna cost? He goes, well, you know, they're the expensive ones, but don't worry, I found you a good option that it's a good price. And I was like, fuck, you know, like I'm all worried. I'm like, well, how much fuck is this gonna cost? He's like, $900. I was like, well, fuck, how much is the expensive one? He's like, 3,000. I'm like, well,
give me the expensive one.
I'm like, get me the expensive one, then.
What are we still doing here?
No budget?
What are we still doing?
Yeah, what, you thought I'm on a budget over here? I can't afford the expensive turbo, sir.
I'm just saying, I remember in college, you and your buddies would pile together like $30, go to McDonald's, you'd have like 50 double cheeseburgers.
How old was this guy? This guy, I remember back in the day when I was in college, kids.
It was a nickel.
I never went to college, so I wouldn't know what it's like. But, yeah, I remember going to fucking Taco Bell back in the day with $3 and getting a full meal, baby. Get your 99-cent tacos and then get a water cup.
Yeah,
good to go. $3.
Listen, you take your date and you're like, hey, listen, babe, you don't have to order off the dollar menu today. You can do a full meal.
I never did that. I always took my dates to places I couldn't afford. I actually went on a date one time. I was like probably 20 years old. I took us to this steakhouse and my credit card got declined. The waiter came back. He's like, sir. I'm like, what? He's like, I'm like, oh no, it's because of the fraud, you know, the fraud. So anytime your credit card gets denied, all you have to say is because of fraud protection.
That's it.
Be like, yeah, you know, I've been using my card so much lately, you know, so much. You know, I buy, you know, a lot of really expensive stuff. So yeah, no, Amex just flagged it.
That's all
fraud. It was a fraud. Yeah.
Like Kevin Hart.
The $50 charge at the steakhouse. Yeah, no, that's definitely fraud.
There's a savings account. There's a checking account. I just forgot to fluctuate.
When I was in Hawaii, I was like sending wire transfers and stuff, buying cars and different shit. And my bank called me. And they're like, Mr. Wieland, we've had a couple wire transfers initiated from your bank account. And it looks like the IP address is not where you're normally living. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm in Hawaii. They're like, oh yeah, well thanks for telling us. And I was like, oh sorry. They're like, are you expecting to send more wire transfers? I'm like, is the sky blue, baby? Come on, I'm gonna be here for a month. There's gonna be more wire transfers being sent. All right, so right now we're kind of just grinding up here. This is kind of that price action that would kind of lead me to the idea that if we do start selling down, we can sell down pretty quickly, because when we're grinding higher like that, it's just the idea that if people are getting long, like where are they long from? You know, they don't have the best entry here. If you're long from the 170s and we crash down to the 140s, 150s, you're out of that trade. So just this small little grind higher. Maybe people are kind of long from the VWAP here earlier. We bounced up the VWAP twice at that 140 level, and right now just pushing back up there. We're above the VWAP. We're above the EMAs. We got a pivot point coming up there, 23,200s.
Pat, tell me your thoughts on order blocks, fair value gaps. Do you really look for those? Do you care about them?
No, I don't give a fuck.
You don't?
I do not look for no order blocks. I don't look for no fucking fair value gaps. I play around with them. I talk about it on the stream. I never talk about order blocks, but I'll talk about like the fair value gaps. I mean, the fair value gap at the end of the day is all it really is just a fucking, basically a big old candle that never really got, you know, retested or kind of tested. Yeah, I mean, that's all it really is. When you get those big candles that drop straight down, it's kind of like, you know, that it makes sense to kind of retest the middle of that candle, which would be the fair value gap. So I don't know. ICT supposedly is the best trader in the world, but
he's not on the leaderboard.
He's not. There's not one leaderboard in the entire world that has ICT's name on it. So that's just, how does that work? There's a lot of leaderboards out there. So if you were the best trader to ever do it, you'd think that at some point in time your name would be on top of the leaderboard. But his excuse is always, oh, I don't trade prop firms because I don't want them copying my trading,
my style.
I don't trade real money because I don't want the broker to copy me. Like, so what do you do, sir? How do you pay your bills? Oh, YouTube ad revenue is the only way.
Interesting concept though. Think about that. Like, we're about to have a Pat Wieland bot from all these prop firms stealing your mining your trading data and stuff like that.
Yeah, my trading data.
5 years from now, you know.
Dude, I'm so afraid to trade, because what happens if the prop firm figures out that I'm really good? You know, what if they start copying me? Oh my god.
The Nancy Pelosi trading bot.
Oh geez.
Right?
I wish. That'd be nice.
The Pelosi.
I'd buy it.
I mean,
they do have something.
They have
stuff.
They have it now. We'll
get all the trades that she takes.
We'll get the Pat soon.
See that algorithm right now is printing. Entry at the 86 is there. Up there are the 92s. I'm gonna put myself out of business here. Everyone's gonna start watching the trading bot. All right now NASDAQ is kind of grinding higher here into open. Will this be a big bear flag type setup? Do we move down here today? Looking a little bit like a head and shoulders type setup here. We'll kind of see if this invalidates the head and shoulders type move, and if we do get above that 200 level, kind of where do we go from there? If we take that overnight high, might be the perfect spot to pull back down from there, but just being patient. Let the market show us the way. I don't need to predict it. I just need to ride that momentum.
Ride that wave.
Ride in that momentum, baby. Up, down, we don't care. Greg's gonna be smiling no matter
Smiling
what.
the whole time. Smiling the whole time. Yeah, we had good viewership yesterday too. What was the peak views?
Over 6,000 yesterday. Yeah, over 6,000.
Thank you, friends. That's pretty exciting. Breaking records at the BDA.
Breaking records, baby. That's all we be doing around here. Breaking the record, breaking it. All right, what else we got going on news-wise today? Anything else going on? Swiss president meets with the leaders of partner Swiss Airlines in Washington. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Disney has discussed packaging sports content with other firms. Big news in the market today.
2 o'clock FOMC speakers. You don't care about them?
Not really. Not unless it's Powell.
Unless it's Papa Pow.
I saw Trump was like trolling everybody. He was walking around on the White House, like on the roof of the White House.
Yeah.
And he's talking about like building more stuff. Everyone's like, he's gonna put a Trump sign on top of the White House.
Let's go.
Pretty funny.
Let's go.
It's hilarious. Like the mess is just like the people watching and going, Trump, why are you on the roof? He's like, I'm just looking around,
Just checking it out.
just taking a little look, just to see what's going on. Look at him. He's literally on the roof, just up there walking around,
Love
seeing
that
what's
guy.
going
This
on.
is the most random stuff.
Like, why is Trump on the roof of the White House, right? Oh, you gotta love it.
We stayed at the Trump Hotel in Vegas, and it's a gold hotel. It's like a 121 degree day. Trying to hang out in that pool, the sun just blasts that gold and then hits you. You're just cooking, man.
Oh yeah,
Man, it was.
they get that cook on. All right,
real, man.
as we get prepared for the market to open up, we got a couple things to look at. Today, the plan for Alex, like you said earlier, we're looking for those A++ setups. I would love to see a trade where we can like get in on a good trade and then we can like trail the target, really like milk it for as much as we can today.
Okay.
Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can kind of get into a good trade and maybe take a partial at the first target and then look for like a second profit target area, and just try to manage those trades a little bit better today. A little bit more patience. Yeah. A little bit more patience.
I'm thinking about trading micros.
Yeah, perfect. Trade the micros.
Yeah.
I think a great goal is like trying to go for like $500 today. Greg.
It's a good goal. Let's do that.
No, stop smiling. You're not supposed to be happy, man.
I got the charts. We're
Get
ready.
him a COVID mask.
I have all my lines and everything.
Get
Get a fucking mask.
Get him a fucking mask, man.
Get that wolf
I look
mask.
over there, he's just smiling no matter what. I'm like, why the fuck's this guy smiling?
He just lost $3,000. The dude's just.
Guy's like,
here.
oh, I just lost. He's just still smiling. I'm like, fuck.
So good.
Yeah, see, like I'm the exact opposite. When I lose, I show it. You can see it on my face.
Same.
Just
The best
smile.
is like when
Smile through the pain.
when the editor and then Ginger, they'll be like after a red day or whatever, they'll be like, oh, how'd it go? And I'm like, I don't fucking know what happened. I'm like, I don't fucking know. But I love when people ask me like what happened. Like my girlfriend would be like, oh, like why'd you have a red day? I'm like, because I'm retarded and I went fucking long when the market was crashing.
Yeah.
There's not a reason, and not like, oh yeah, well the sun was up and then it went down and then it was that was the rooster walked across the road and
My girlfriend said, well, every time that I'm if I have a bad trading day, I just go silent. And she's just you can't do that when you're at Patrick's, the BDH.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't go silent.
Well, I am a little bit quiet in general, but
You had some questions though. You're coming out with questions today.
I mean, that's what I'm here for, right?
Yeah.
To get all of Pat's knowledge.
Oh fuck! Not
Everything
all of
in
it.
that big brain. I need.
Sorry, sir. Your skull just cannot hold all this knowledge. All right, little pullback here. Little pullback back to the 180s.
Kissing our trend line. We like that.
Gonna see if I think The only tricky part here is the fact that we're above the VWAP. So we kind of like, we don't want to just get short right into that VWAP because, well, if we believe the VWAP is important, then there's a chance we kind of bounce there. But we'd love to see is basically get through the VWAP, push back up, and then we're looking for maybe a bear flag like down in this area. We do have yesterday's close right there, but I'm not that worried about it, to be honest. Be more focused on this idea of 23,000 down there if we do start to sell. So
I like it.
but also if that don't happen, then we can look for some longs. If we do if we rip down here like at open, could rip down, hold that low, and then we've put in a higher low, and then we could target that overnight high there. There's a pullback right now, already dipping down before market open. We had that move yesterday where the market sold off right there at open and then ripped right back up, took out the high, and then went lower. So see how she goes today. Patience, my friends, patience.
Give her some time to breathe.
Gotta let her breathe. I'm gonna go to the bathroom before we get ready here.
7 minutes.
Almost.
All right. So you're not using Trading View at all. You're just doing straight Tradebait.
Yeah, because he took the charts away from me.
You said you're not allowed to trade.
Yeah, I was looking over here too much.
Are you gonna trade the funding ticks or the take profit?
Yeah, funding tick.
The new one, not the old one.
Correct. Give those a try today. Yeah, that's what Patrick is saying too. That's why we got him.
Okay. I like the idea of funding ticks.
I know you can get there quick.
5 days, and then you can get like unlimited payout.
Mm-hmm. Just got to do the right moves.
Just got to get there first.
What are they saying over there?
Are y'all talking?
Who knows? Who cares?
I'm trying to look over the chair.
They're staring into each other's
We were
eyes.
just smiling at each other back and forth.
Just smile. We're just seeing who can smile longer.
God.
Actually, Alex won. He beat me.
Is it lagged?
There's a little delay, probably like a 5-second delay with the chat and versus what you guys are doing.
Saw somebody was asking if I flossed my teeth with a garden hose.
With a garden hose?
Yeah, dude.
That's not a big hose.
That's crazy
I
work.
know.
All right, we got about 5 minutes here till market opens. 5 minutes. We got a plan today. The plan is simple. We're putting on good trades. We're locking in profit. Greg's going for just a nice green day. Alex is getting a nice green day. He's got places to be, things to do later on. So I got things to do as well. And I think we're getting a car delivered here today at one point.
It's
I'm
always
trading the
something here
Raptor
at
for
BDH.
something else.
What's coming in?
You never know.
It's a Tesla.
Definitely not a Tesla.
It's a Tesla. 100%.
Until my balls fall off, I will not be driving a Tesla. I just
Have you ever driven one before?
I have.
Yeah.
Come on now. Like,
Yeah, all right.
I've driven every car there is.
Yeah.
I used to be a valet when I was a kid, actually. Not that the
Same.
Teslas were around, but
Same.
when I was like 18, 19, I worked at a country club valet, and so I drove like a lot of cars.
Nice.
But I have test driven Teslas. I have rented Teslas as well, like for like rentals,
Trips and stuff.
and I'm a very like visual person.
Yeah.
So like I want to hear the
Yeah,
motor.
you want the
I want to
loud
like
and everything.
I want to feel. I
yeah.
want to like if I gotta drive somewhere, I want to like have fun.
Yeah.
You know, like yesterday we drove down to Miami, and it's like I'm in the big truck, and I'm just like fucking
Swerving and
mobbing all
stuff.
through there,
Yeah,
kind of,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
obviously going the speed limit at all times. But
Of course.
I don't know. I feel like driving for me is an experience.
Yeah.
And like these older cars that I've been buying, like the 1979 Porsche, like me and Landon,
Yeah.
we were going like 50 miles an hour in it, and it feels like you're going fast as fuck.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's like, you know, like you're going 60,
man.
you're like, oh fuck, here we go, boys, we hit 70 now. Like it's you get really like it's such a such an
visceral experience. I understand it, man.
Yeah.
I understand it. I had my
So that's kind of my issue with the Teslas.
yeah. I mean, I guess my reverse of that is I love like little sneakiness though. If you're doing a rip off the line or something like that, it's dead quiet. Like you look up and there's a cop in the opposite direction. He didn't even see you. He didn't notice you. You're going like 70 and you're good.
Yeah, but see, Greg, there's not one thing sneaky about the BDH.
I know.
You know what I mean? Like
the biggest and largest.
You know, like we got a fucking rooster painted on the side of the wall out there. Like there ain't nothing fucking. You know, people were like, maybe you shouldn't fucking put your logo on the side of the wall. People will know where you are. I'm like, fuck them,
motherfucker.
I want them to know.
We here.
Let them know
here.
where I'm at. You let them know, baby.
Let them know.
Let them know. All right, NASDAQ right now, a little pushback up here into that 180 area. We got the VWAP down there at the 149s right there. And then we got yesterday's close, that dotted line down there. The overnight high still just sitting up there, looming higher. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm like overall like bearish, but I do feel like
bearish tendencies.
If we get through the VWAP, the bears might want to party here.
So market open, you're switching to 1 minute, or do you stay at 5?
We're on the 1 minute right now, yeah. But I'll kind of like I got multiple charts pulled up over here, but I'm looking at the fifth. I'm keeping an eye on the 15-minute chart at all times. I'm keeping an eye on the 5-minute chart. I'm kind of like I got the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and then I'm looking at like the ES 5-minute chart. I'm looking at the YM 15-minute chart just to kind of see, you know, is the NASDAQ going with the ES, going against the ES? Like if the ES is selling off, I don't want to be getting long on the NASDAQ. What do we got here? We got a signal bot.
Sell signal.
Sell signal.
We were talking
sell signal.
We were talking about that earlier, Pat. Guy asked you how many screens and charts you had up.
Yeah.
I think it's a little overwhelming when I have like more than 2.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Sometimes more than 1. Like, what do you think the best?
But are you like, when you have multiple charts pulled up, are you looking at like, if you have one chart pulled up, how many like different time frames are you looking at on that one chart?
On that one, it's like the 1 minute, and then I'll just flip, you know, 15, 30, 1 hour day.
But you're kind of like changing through that one chart.
Yeah, but usually I just trade on the 1 minute. And I think, you know, when I see a tick literally go in the wrong direction, I'm like, all right, I want to get out right away because I'm not zooming out.
Yeah.
What do you recommend?
See, that's why I've got the multiple charts pulled up for different time frames. So that way I'm seeing the 15-minute chart right next to the 1 minute chart, and that way I'm not just like only looking at the small time frame. Here we go. Market about to open. It's getting it. We got 30 seconds, but yeah, that's, I think for me, like it looks like I have a lot of stuff pulled up, but really it's all the same shit. Yeah. Right, like I got the NASDAQ 5 minute, the 15-minute, the 1 minute, all it's like all the same chart.
Right.
But that way I don't have to change.
Yeah.
Like people always talk shit about Steve K with his like having all his monitors and stuff set up, but I'm like, it'd be kind of cool, man.
You have more monitors over there.
Yeah, I have more charts over there on for sure. So I would totally love to have like 10 monitors with like literally, you know, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, 1 hour chart, just like bang, bang, bang. So that way I'm just like, I can look and be like ding, ding. I don't have to like move. I don't have to like, like I said, I'm a very visual person. Right? I'm a visual learner. I'm not good at reading. I'm good at learning.
I'm going to say something that you probably don't like.
Oh, God.
I do most of my trading on my phone.
Yeah, well, you've also not getting a lot of payouts either.
I've gotten one payout in my life.
So
I feel like this is the calmest market open I've ever seen. We delayed it. It's just not.
All right, well, NASDAQ market is open here.
It's not moving at all. That's weird, right?
Oh, she's moving. It's just not going anywhere. I think the bears are about to take this lower. There's that move down to the 155s now. Now we want to see what happens here with the VWAP. Get through that VWAP there. If we lose that VWAP support, then it's fucking at least down there to the 30s. But right now, just kind of chopping. This is what happens when the market gets, you know, when we open up and we're right there. We got the VWAP support. We're right here at these EMAs. Just a big chop zone right now. Little rip right back up there again. So they kind of front running. Oh my Lord, look at that. They're front running the VWAP now. I'm gonna try a quick long here just to see if I get to push up to like 210s, maybe that kind of pivot point level. Such a strong reaction there, kind of makes me want to get excited for a little longy dongy. Get up there to the 12s or 12, yeah, 11, 12s. That overnight high is all the way up there at the 220s. So
where's your stop loss here?
Stop loss is basically like 180s.
180s?
180s.
Okay.
But I might have to, we're right there at that pivot point now. I want it to go on this candle here. This candle needs to go, or I'm going to move stop to break even. There we go. Yeah, perfect. Was that you, Lena? Lena's making money. Order filled. We're out there at the 11. So, I mean, the reason for that long, really, at the end of the day, is the fact that we broke through this little high right here. Kind of like almost like the pre-market high, if you want to say it.
Yep.
Kind of the 6 a.m. till 9 a.m. high. We got through that, and then that was like just very strong reaction off those lows down there. So that was kind of my reason for the long there. But
do you like that reaction off of that?
Yeah, look at how strong that candle came back.
Yeah.
On the 1 minute chart, just absolutely just fucking ripped right there. But again, nothing wrong with being patient. It's a little bit of a dangerous spot to get long as well, right into that pivot point there. So that's why I wasn't looking for like a massive move, but here's that push up there almost through the overnight high now. This is almost like exactly what happened yesterday.
Yeah.
In the sense that we kind of dipped it open and then ripped straight back up, took out the overnight high, and now the question is, do we start to pull back from there? Pulling back from there. Dun dun dun. Yesterday you said you'll try to hold trades longer. I mean, that was 20 points. For me, I feel like holding that was a long trade to hold for me personally.
Was it?
I mean, we're also pushing into that overnight high as well. I think let's say if I was long from like the 170s and we were at like the 200s, then I might be holding longer for that 220 push.
Yeah.
So it's always easy to say coulda, shoulda, woulda. So such a strong reaction off that low, and then the fact that we had that doji candle there and that first 1 minute candle, we broke some people will literally trade the 1 minute opening range. I know it sounds crazy, but people will like try to trade that 1 minute opening range. So the first 1 minute candle puts in that range, and then you trade the break or the breakout of that 1 minute.
I never thought about that
range, basically. Because I mean, again, it's like when we say 15-minute range, it's not like there is no fucking law. There is no book that says like, hey, the only opening range is the 15-minute opening range. Because then you have people who say, oh no, it's the hourly. Oh no, it's the 30-minute. Oh no, it's the 10. You know, like some people trade the 5-minute opening range. Some people trade the 1 minute. It's really like just kind of comes down to what your strategy is. And that's what I hate about trading, because everybody can have a strategy that works, and every person's strategy can be totally different. Okay. Right? Like Greg can be totally different than your strategy, and then mine can be totally different. We could all still make money.
That mongoose trader.
So it's like there is no fucking absolutes when it comes to trading, other than buying low and selling high.
Right. So it just tagged that pre-market high.
All right, we took out that overnight high.
Now it's going low.
Yeah, now it's like I'm definitely not looking for a long until we get like a good like confirmation.
Right.
I think a good confirmation would be like if we dip down back into the 190s and then we start to break out again.
Really? I would look for a short there.
Look for a short?
Yeah.
Where, at 190?
Yeah, like 190. Yeah, like 190.
I mean, I'm not looking for a long at 190. I'm looking to see if we can bounce off 190.
Okay.
So you can maybe look for the short below like 190, but I'm just looking at it at the fact of like, hey, if we pull back, we take out the low of these candles and we put a wick in there, and then we start to push back up and get above that pivot point right there, then I might get excited for a long. I just don't want to like you're right on the idea that we took out that overnight high and now it possibly is going to become a short. But I'm also playing into the idea of like, hey, we took out that overnight high, and if we are going to have a bullish like momentum straight up, you know, maybe a trending day here, then I want to see the reaction off that 190 area.
Okay.
Confirmation.
Because I don't want to get short. Just
not yet.
Right into the 190s and this thing rips right back up to the 220s.
Right.
That's what we're trying to avoid. So here's that 190 pullback. We're taking out all those lows here. If we don't get a reaction, if we don't push back up here, yeah, then fuck no, I'm definitely not getting long. You know what I mean?
I mean, that thing is running,
She's back right back down here. So now I think you can be looking for a short on like the next little pushback up. Maybe back up here to the 180s again. What you looking at, Greg? How are we looking over there? You feeling anything?
I'm waiting for the flag to form.
All
so
right.
maybe that's
getting a little bit of a mini flag right now.
Maybe that's
forming.
a pull. So yeah, I'm gonna wait 3, 4,
right
5
back there
minutes.
to the VWAP again. So we kind of, if we could push back up, get a little bit of a, you know, wiki wick into that 180 level. There's that 180 little crack. We're just like looking for some type of like some kind of like I said before, like that trap.
Confirmation.
Right, like give me some type of like tricky trap here. We're right there at the VWAP now, so it's just hard to get short right into the VWAP there without like some real strong action there. ES is kind of bouncing. The Dow's straight down through yesterday's close right now. Here's those EMAs coming up, 80s.
Drawing my channel lines.
Got his channel lines.
45-degree angle. That's what I learned from the PW course yesterday. School sensation. Now we wanted to kiss that 45-degree line a couple times.
Oh, it's just like, I wish the VWAP wasn't right there.
Yeah, it keeps bouncing right off of it.
This bear flag is gonna like break right into that fucking VWAP. The ES is looking real weak. The NASDAQ's looking weak here as well. My finger's on the trigger for a possible short. I'm just gonna try it right here to get through the 160s. And then looking for like 140s or so. I only went 2 contracts short, so we're just right there at the VWAP. I don't love it. But the fact that the ES is making new lows right now, the Dow's making new lows. Let's see if we pay the price for shorting into the VWAP here.
I like shorts too.
So your stop would be at 191 probably?
My stop's like above that 188 level, yeah. Not the best. There's that VWAP support again. If we dip, I think if we get through here, I'm gonna look for even lower targets, like maybe like 130s.
I'm in at 168.
168 for Alex. Let's go. Straight down, boys.
I'm holding. Now that I'm in.
Now you're in.
Now that I'm in, stops. The best place for stops. I mean, I'd probably put my stops at like above that.
You got to put it above that last
candle.
Little high, that 188 level.
Right.
Do you ever scale your stops, or do you just have
like
everything
I'll try to move
out?
my stop, try to move stuff around. Like if we break through 150 here, I'll probably move my stop down. I want to see that 150 break strong. Try to trail this some. 150 is trying to break here. We're right there below the VWAP now. The ES is looking weak. NASDAQ just needs to get through there. See, because now it's like if we break through the 150, then I can move my stop to the high of this little wick, be like 172s, and kind of just keep trailing it down some. The Dow's dipping. The ES is like sitting right there at the lows right now. Stops at the 188s. If we push back up, tap that EMA again, I might even add one more time.
Ooh.
If we get a little wiki wick there below that, below my stop, basically. We're at the bottom of this 15-minute range right now, just kind of holding up there. She's playing games with my heart.
Quit playing games.
We got 2 contracts short right now. Everybody in the chat asking. It's like the thing you see it on the screen. It says -2. -2. Still getting denied there over and over. Below that 180 level. We just want to keep that going there, but. I want to see one of these candles close to the wick, like that 180 area to wick.
So let's see. Ooh, went through the EMAs.
Coming right back up here to the. I'm gonna move this stop to right above 190s, 191 stop, and then I'm looking to add into this 180. If we get denied to the 180s, I'm looking to add. If we don't, I'll get stopped out, and then it's gonna rip face here. All right, that's a nice candle. Like just need this. Give me back below the 70s here. Let this candle turn red on me. Trying to add here. Got 20 seconds. Someone says it's bias. It's bearish. Why are you long? Who the fuck is long right now, idiots? The chat, man, undefeated. Undefeated, chat. I'm short right now, about to get stopped out, idiots. I should have gotten long and not listened to the chat, clearly. Well, the 180s hold us here. Right back up right now. Just fucking A. Oh, stopped out there.
Stopped out.
Fucking A. And that's just the way it goes.
Now it's going to go back down.
Again, right back up there now, so. See, that's the tricky part with that fucking VWAP there, man.
Gotta wait for the next one.
And there's that rip. That's why we get stopped out. We don't just fucking hope and pray. You gotta fucking get out when you get out. So look at that thing ripping right back up there now. Wow. Crazy move.
But I'm proud that we stuck to the plan.
Yeah, were you in?
I was in. Yeah, and I stuck to it the whole time. I didn't get nervous. We stuck to it.
What'd you do?
The same thing you guys did.
Oh. Well, you should have done the opposite today, Greg.
Listen.
All right, well, now we wait. Now we're just chopping around. Let's get the 15-minute range
Waiting
break.
For the next one.
I mean, fuck. What are you going to do about it? So
we got our 15-minute range now.
We got our 15-minute range is now set. We pushed up to the highs again, chopped there some more. See if we get a little bull flag breakout here through the opening range high now. Right there at that pivot point. Got a pivot point at the 206s, 208, trying to push up there. 223 is the opening range high now. So if we can break out of the opening range, can see where we go next. Maybe 250, 260s there.
So if we break it, though, we're probably still waiting for a retest.
Yeah, we'll wait for some kind of little retest.
Look at that. He's learning.
I mean, that 5-minute chart, it's just like, look at that. What are you going to do?
Yeah.
What are you going to do? You know? It goes up, it goes down. What's that song? It goes up, it goes down.
Don't want to diddle in the middle. Ooh.
Some veracity out of there right now. Veracity. All right. Hey. Well, we learned a good lesson again today. Don't fucking short into the VWAP, you fucking retards.
Goddamn. All right. I'm writing that down.
Yeah, put that on your fucking list over there. Don't do this.
Put it in the notebook.
We have rules for a reason, Patrick. What are you doing?
Okay, so it's breaking out of the 15-minute opening range.
Breaking out of the 15-minute range. Now we need a little bit of a pullback, and then we look for a setup here. Kind of pull back, maybe 220, 215s. Why'd you short the VWAP? I don't know. Why did I short the VWAP? I thought I was gonna be Mr. I was gonna get that. We're gonna get that big fucking trending.
Cool. We're all gonna high five.
Little pullback here.
Let's get a little pullback here.
And then you're waiting for a couple candle confirmation.
Kind of we'll look for a pullback, and then we're looking for that first candle to make a new high, like through the last candle push.
Okay.
So 207 would be kind of that pullback into that pivot point again. Sorry. There's that little pullback. Got that EMA right there. 9 EMA at the 205s.
The more we pull back,
the better.
We like that, right? The better.
So we wanted to kiss them EMAs.
The better. It's the better. The more we pull back, the better. All right, there's that 200 pullback. So now it's like the more that we can kind of sit down here and kind of build out a flag, the better. JT said, we failed to hold above the 15-minute orb. You're not wrong. We are back inside the 15-minute orb again, back into the middle of the range.
Bounce a little bit. We're just going to build out a bear flag instead.
Don't say that.
I mean, the Dow is absolutely just getting crushed right now. The Dow is down. The ES pulled back pretty hard.
Crazy.
Back to our original entry, probably.
Yeah.
Let's go back to our original fuck yeah, boys.
But don't diddle in the middle.
Gotta love it.
So man, that's what I'm learning right now. Just sit with stuff like this. Wait for the confirmation. Back in the day,
not every fucking day is a day to trade. To be honest, like that's the problem too with these live streams. Is like we get on these live streams and it's like I gotta put a trade. I gotta put a trade on. But there's so many fucking times where the best thing to do is don't even put a trade on.
Sit on them hands.
Right, that's the hardest part because it's always like, oh well, you got all these people watching you, waiting for a trade.
Yeah.
It's like there's plenty of days where like you just shouldn't even take a trade.
Well, and I get it now too. Like me at home watching Patrick Wieland, I'm screaming because I'm like 240 down to like 175. I'm like, why the fuck didn't we take that trade?
Yeah,
it was
exactly.
a gamble trade. You can't take that trade. You'll lose half the time you take the trade.
So, I mean, now it's like if we get back above 200, maybe that's the long entry, and then we got to kind of hold through some chop here. This little bullish candle all the way back up now.
I like that close above the 200s.
That was a pretty bullish candle. So
can Tradeovate do a 2-minute?
I'm gonna try.
No?
Oh God, what do you mean this account? Wrong one. This account. I'm gonna try a long here in the funding ticks 1 account. Try to push through the pivot point there. I want to see a new high come pretty quick.
Oh, that's a good long.
We'll see a new high come here real quick. Through the 240s. I'll be looking for like 250, 260s possibly.
See, I would FOMO into this now. I missed the entry.
I missed it too.
Okay, well, just wait.
Yeah, I missed it.
Don't worry, Daddy's here, boys.
I was waiting for it to bounce off the EMA.
Daddy is here, boys. Well, you see why I got long there?
That's a solid trade. Nice, Pat.
Almost up to my target. I'm going for more. Why not? 260s on it.
Nice.
I actually took that in my funded account.
You made money?
I made $200 on that.
He's done for the day. Look at that. I told you these guys, people, the chat yesterday was like, these guys are never going to make money.
Never.
They're never going to make money. Never. I'm like, well, fuck you guys.
I came in here with the funded at 50K. Didn't have $1 in profit. I'm up 1,000 in profit over the last 3 days.
Nice.
With PW.
Nice.
Amen, brother. Now I'm going to be too greedy here, and this is not going to work in my favor. But maybe we start to rip up here. I like the bigger picture. I might even move this up a little higher. Why not? All the way. 70s now. If you look here, that's our faces. That's my face. God, my face looks so fat. If you look here on the chart right now, I kind of like, we get through this 250 area. I don't see a reason why we can't go 280s or maybe even more. If it hits, it hits. So for the entertainment purposes of this stream, see, but be looking for possibly like a bull flag here, right? If we can build out a bull flag now above this. Oh God. Now, right back down. Right back down. Never mind. No, I didn't. Thanks for asking, Landon. The fuck? This kid. You get filled? No. Making fun of me now.
You're in. You're good.
Oh, I know I'm good.
You're good.
Just trying to figure out how good I'm gonna be.
It's looking real good.
How good am I gonna be, chat? We're doing it live on fucking YouTube here. Live on the fucking YouTube right now.
I just got one from 218 to 241.
218 to 241?
All right.
Let's fucking go.
All right.
Greg's making some money.
All right.
I like it.
You were in 218 to 241?
Correct.
Nice, dude.
I was trying to wait for it to bounce off that EMA, but I was like, it's close.
If we get this breakout through the 250s, I don't see how we don't go higher from there.
Can you take me higher?
This is one of those trades where you wish you had more size so you could kind of scale a little bit better. I only got 2 contracts.
Yeah, it seems like it's consolidating a nice little flag.
I mean, you might be getting a long setup here. Like,
Yeah,
I think if we break through
thinking.
240s, I might add to the trade. Again, just chopped right back down there. So I would add above those previous candle highs to see if we can't get more momentum to the upside. Also just chopping around here. This green trade goes red on me is not going to be fun. That's not going to be fun to explain later.
Where would your stop even be? Like 194?
My stop? Ugh. I don't even want to think about my stop.
We're not talking about stops.
Yeah,
we're not talking.
To be honest, I don't want to think about my stop right now, but it might have to be placed here. Problem is, no matter where I put my stop at, I'm gonna get stopped out if this doesn't hold pretty much 200s. So it's not ideal. Almost 10 o'clock here. All right, I'm still kind of looking possibly for adding into this. If we start to go, we get some momentum to the upside here. I think we could push all the way up there towards the 300s.
Push, 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 push.
Still long.
Push, 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 push.
PW, did you not see the wicks? Oh, I see them. Everybody always trying to tell me what to do. God. I just want to trade, man. Sometimes I just want to trade and not have to listen to everybody tell me what to do. All right, I want to see 30 breakout, and then looking to add if we get through that 230 area. Still back down, so. Oh, God.
$190 stop. Are you holding it longer?
Probably gonna hold a little longer.
I mean, this should be
Don't follow
kind of
me. Don't do like me.
This should be the perfect entry, though, for a.
It should be the perfect entry in theory, but this market ain't the perfect market right now, is it?
I just got one at 201.
You're in?
Yeah. Well, I've been in too. I have 3 at 212.
Okay.
And then I have 1 now.
So you're averaging out.
1 at 201. The 201, I almost might.
We're back.
See if we can add here if we get through 230s.
Nice. Take us to the promised land, Pat. I got to sell at 237 and a sell at 241.
All right, there through the 230s. I'm adding there now. I'm looking to sell all this into 250s or more.
Oh, nice, man.
I don't want this to chop back down on me, that's for sure. So might just have to take it. $240s again, holding it down there. Come on. God, what a stupid fucking.
I'm fully out now. That was a good one though. I did a 201 to a 229.
201 and 229.
Yeah, I got my 30.
Greg's
Almost
making money. Let's go.
Almost at 30. That first trade, I was down 280.
How many?
Now I'm down 100. Just 4.
Okay.
So playing it small. Oh shit! And there it is.
There we go.
And there it is.
There we go.
Jeez, man.
We're rocketing higher. I'm taking some profit there, by the way.
Jeez, man.
Maybe.
Let's go. I'm back green on the day in that.
Oh my God. Dude.
Let's freaking go, dude.
Nice.
Matt Hardsey said gambling.
Okay, gambling?
Matt. Yeah, Matt.
That was the perfect setup.
It's always, if you win, you're gambling. If you lose, you suck.
And I finally understand that was a good
How does that
setup.
work?
Yeah.
When you lose, you're terrible, but if you win, you're gambling.
Yeah.
So pretty much it doesn't really matter what you do because you're fucked. Everything is fucked. We're all just a bunch of fucked retards on the internet. And like I always kind of laugh about it too because people think that they're like gonna, you know, talk shit about me, but it's like, but you're here. You know what I mean? Like, you're watching me.
You're watching me.
So like,
right.
Who's more of a retard?
Yeah.
Is it you or is it me? Am I the retard or are you the retard? Because I'm clearly retarded, but are you retarded?
Right.
Because like if you're watching me, like you have nothing else to do with your life than watch me on YouTube. That's pretty fucking retarded.
Yeah. And then to talk shit about that person.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. Like,
fucking.
all right, I'm taking it all off here at the 58s. Or we'll just take it off right there. I'm tired of being in this trade. All right, that was $1,400, almost
nice,
$3,000 there,
nice.
2 accounts.
Real nice.
Let's go, Pat.
So,
Real nice.
Landon.
what are you at?
Let's go,
man.
Lands up 500. Market's still pushing up there, 260s now.
Damn, dude, you pulled it that
The
quick.
comeback kid.
Comeback, kid.
We're happy with that for now. Let it go higher.
we
There
like
it
that.
goes.
We
Now
like
it's
that.
ripping. Now it's gonna fucking rip.
Yeah, I took profit pretty early, but at least I'm back in the green on that account.
Yeah, nice.
265s now, 263s.
Oh man.
I mean, you can see here on the, I don't know why everybody's like talking so much shit, but it's like,
That was a perfect setup.
is that not the fucking perfect opening range breakout setup?
I finally know what I'm talking about.
Trade, we're all out.
We pulled back, we touched the fucking pivot point, we're holding the EMAs, we break out. I said basically adding the 230s, getting long, adding another contract. I was already long there. Look at it. There are the 260s now.
Perfect channel, perfect consolidation.
I don't really know what else to like. Sometimes I really just am, I don't know what else people want from me.
Nice little textbook.
You know, like this is a free live stream, by the way. Look, it's still going higher, by the way. 280s.
This one's about to be in the PW course.
Can you explain, please, what is a pivot point? Pivot point is an indicator on TradingView. Pivot point standard, still going higher, 280. Fucking A. Oh, what? That's the hard part when you're sitting through those trades and it's like you've went from green to red to green to red to green to red to green to red,
It's
and then you
hard to
finally
not-
get back
yeah.
to the green, and
Yeah, you
it's
wanna
like
get
so
out.
hard to be like,
Just
because
sit
if
there
I
and
didn't
wait.
take profit right there and it pulled back, everybody would be like, you fucking moron.
Look at that.
You were up 40 points.
3 bands.
Why'd you
down.
not take profit? You know, it's like so fucking annoying. If I wasn't live on YouTube, I would still just be holding that trade.
Really?
Like, yeah, 100%. Yeah,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
again, like
No influences and stuff too.
worst kind of worst, I get stopped out, break even. Like I don't fuck, you know, like
Yeah.
personally, I don't care.
Right.
But like to see the 5,000 people on YouTube sitting here going, whoa, why do you not take profit? Take profit, Patrick. Take profit. And then if it doesn't, you know, like, because
Yeah.
if it pulls back and stops me out, break even or whatever it is, if it's just me personally trading, then I'm just like I said, I'm fine
Wait
with
for the
it.
next one. Wait for
It
the
doesn't
next
matter
one. No
to
big
me.
deal.
Yeah.
But then I gotta listen to all these fucking morons on the internet, so then it just like pisses me off more and ends up fucking with my head. Sucks. Such is life. Such as being a millionaire on YouTube, you know?
Life.
It ain't easy, but someone's got to do it. Like Kanye West said, you know, why take advice from people who make less money than you?
True.
I mean, you know, why? Why would I sit here and literally fucking listen to people in the chat who make less money than me? How does that work? Why would I do that? You know, why? That would just be like, it would sound like idiotic. What do you think, Landon? What? You think I should listen to people who make less money than me? Nope. Fuck no. Nope. That's what's up. My 12-year-old knows.
He knows. He's learned.
How does this indicator work? I just want to see. Is it always like saying to buy or sell?
Yeah. It just tells you when to buy and sell. See, look. Look at the indicator.
It's been saying to buy.
It said 126 entry. I said 130.
Wow.
That's funny.
It might have got stopped out though. I don't know.
That's where you put your stop.
Yeah, you had your stop loss.
But also the price points are different, right? Like right now we're at 269. That says we're at 180.
Oh, it's lagging. It's probably like delayed a little bit. It's delayed, bro.
Interesting though. So now just looking for the next bull flag.
God damn it! I can't believe these motherfuckers. No, these fuckers, man. On funding ticks right now, this guy, I don't understand. How the fuck is he up 40%? He's up 40% right now. Nixon in. Flavio still number 3. Patrick Wieland number 2. Come on, chat. Come on. 47 days in the account. I think maybe there's another long coming here. What do you think?
So if it drops to like 259, that's where we're trying to enter. Or maybe
no
250.
No.
Wouldn't that be a perfect
Remember,
right?
we're not entering pullbacks. We're entering breakouts of the pullbacks.
Well, yeah.
So we'd rather it pull back
and then show a little
and then break to the upside. This might just go straight up now. If it breaks through 280s, goes to the 300s there next. You want more, a little bit more pullback there though. It's like one of those little micro pullbacks. Micro pullbacks there. Kind of just like a little mini bull flag here. ES is making new highs. NASDAQ's trying to go. I might have to get long here if we break above 280s. But more pullback, the better. We're tapping into the EMA again. 9 EMA. 300 looks like a good target. We're trading the NASDAQ. People are asking, what are we trading? What the fuck do you think we're trading?
Grains
Pokemon cards.
Potatoes.
We're trading Greg's smiles.
Literally.
Buy a smile for $5. Leave a tip. He'll smile.
We got them in overabundance.
Overabundance and smiles. We got a lot of supply, not a lot of demand for Greg's smiles. Which time frame? 1 minute chart.
We got a lot of demand for that smile, dude.
There's a lot of demand in there.
There's a lot of demand in
I can see it from over here.
All right, I mean, we're kind of setting up for a little mini bull flag here.
Long on the smiles.
2 minute chart would be great to get that 250 area to tap into that kind of previous resistance maybe, but now I'm just basically waiting. This is what I love about trading these setups too, is like we don't have to get long until what? Until we break it, until the candle makes a new high.
Right.
So it's like if you're sitting there and you're trying to buy the dip at 270 and then it dips down to 250s, you're like, fuck, you know, you're fucked. But the fact that what we're waiting for is basically the pullback, and then we're waiting for that kind of
get a little
the
bit
continuation of that wave, right? We pull back,
the cup
and then
handle.
it's like we can't go higher, obviously, without a green candle making a new high. So it's like waiting for that. Right now, it's like, hey, all these like the high of that candle is 281, the high of that candle is 280.75. It was like really close right there, but when it gets that tight, you got to be a little bit more patient.
That's one of my biggest issues is thinking I'm going to be able to get the reversal perfectly, you know, and not wait for that confirmation setup.
That's what I did the last 2 days.
Do a DNA test to see if Greg's related. But he's definitely related. We're from the same leprechaun somewhere in the world.
Literally. European mutt.
Anglo-Saxon. We used to be Vikings for sure. All I know is though is that I think Greg's Viking family might have been skinny and malnourished.
Malnourished. They weren't very good hunters.
But the PWs, woo, baby, we got the fat.
The biggest, the largest.
It's not my fault that I come from a long line of fucking Viking destroyers, you know.
Gonna be the biggest
the Vikings,
on YouTube,
you know,
one way or
it's part of my DNA to make it have a big belly. It protects your organs, your vital organs.
Yeah. Ballast for the boat. And that's why we didn't try to front load that long. Look at that.
Yeah. See, because now if it keeps pulling back, then we don't care. It's like it don't matter to us. Let it pull back.
Chat, we're learning.
Let it go lower. You know, I'm excited for it to go lower. I'm like, let it go lower. I want it to go lower. I need it to go lower. Oh, by the way, we're doing a big giveaway today. I forgot about that. We're giving away 5 of the funding ticks accounts. We need 1,000 likes here on the stream. We got to get more views. We got to get it more popping. Come on, chat. Let's go. We're doing this shit for free live on YouTube. How y'all missing out on this action? How y'all missing out on this? What indicator you have on that screen behind you? Allie, if I tell you, then I have to kill you. I can't tell you. I don't even know what it's called, to be honest. It's on YouTube. It's a free channel on YouTube.
Dude, look at this. Somebody just paid $5 to say that.
I found Greg's YouTube channel, Tooth Fairy Trading. His teeth are the biggest, the largest.
No. Wait, I'm gonna start one now.
You really have that?
Yeah, right.
You guys really have that channel?
I've been doing a quiet live stream off to the side.
You
know?
do actually have a YouTube channel.
I'm doing a second one. No, I don't.
Oh.
I mean, I have a handle, but there's no videos on it. Oh. I had one back in the day.
He's waiting for the Tooth Fairy channel.
Back in the day too.
Right now, we got 35% off 1 day to pass at Funding Ticks. Use the code PW. The new accounts, they've got the new 1 accounts, which are no cap. No cap.
No cap.
Like the kids like to say, no cap.
For the youngins.
Is that how they say it? I think, right? Like no cap?
Yeah.
Right? Like, yeah, that account is no cap. There's no payout cap. There's no consistency rule. There's no... yeah, that's all there.
There's just winning. They're just winning
or losing. Because if you hit the max loss, daily loss, you lose the account.
Then yeah, you're in the VIP room.
If you guys haven't already, it's 177, 35% off. I'm not that good at math, but I think it's a lot cheaper than that. And it's actually, when you do the math, it might be one of the cheapest 50K accounts in the industry, all in, because you activation, everything is part of that first initial cost. So
especially when you use code PW.
Oh well, yeah, or that or the Tooth Fairy. Tooth Fairy or PW.
Tooth Fairy code.
I'm pretty happy with these. So I've got 2 of the new, I always say fast track, but Funding Ticks 1 accounts today. Looking pretty good there. We traded in my actual Funding Ticks funded accounts as well. And we've got $1,400 in profit here today. So we're green right now, looking for more opportunities. I really think that if we can, now it's like if we get back kind of above 260s, maybe some continuation, but as of right now, just letting this kind of chop its way back down. And guess what? What's the best part?
We don't have to trade.
We don't have to even worry about it, right? Because we're like, hey, we're looking to get long, but we're not looking to get long until what happens? Until the candle makes a new high.
And what's funny is
none of these candles have made a new high. Not one of them. I mean, this one kind of a little bit. I mean, I still don't need to get long there. We're already below those EMAs. We're back inside the opening range high as well. So great time to just be patient. Let the market do what it's going to do. Look at this 5-minute chart right now. Hey, the best thing is everybody in the chat was like, Patrick, just hold. It's going to go up to the 320s.
It's mooning. You're so silly.
How mad would I be right now? How mad would I be if I wouldn't have taken profit?
Right?
You know, like I would have been not happy. I probably could have taken profit maybe a little better, but if I would have held all the way to the 280s and then I guess maybe I could see, like, so here, look at it like this. If their theory is like, okay, you wait until the 1-minute chart closes below the 90 EMA to take profit. It's kind of like some people have that theory. The problem is, if I would have done that, this candle would have closed right there, so I would have ended up taking profit right where I took profit early anyway.
Yep.
Yeah.
I have so many times where I feel like I try to hold for those bigger profit trades, and then I end up just like
getting out of
I end up
nothing
taking
or
profit
peanuts and
exactly
stuff.
where I normally take profit anyway.
Yeah.
So
I guess that's why it's good to scale and
I mean,
have the
on a day like
running.
today, clearly it's choppy as shit. So it kind of all goes back to the situational awareness. You contradict yourself within minutes, bro. Well, you know.
You just gotta look at the charts.
But you would have said you would have held the trade if you were not on YouTube. Well, you're right. No, you're right. You're right. I would have. I probably would have taken profit of the 180s because I'm that much better when I'm not trading live. Okay.
On the YouTube.
Don't do as I say. Do as I talk about.
Yeah.
Or don't do as I talk about, but do as I say.
Just do what you think that I'm thinking about, and then think about that.
The funny part is people like tune into this stream and they think that I'm like that I have some type of
Crystal ball.
well, or I have just like some kind of secret to it all.
What's the secret, Pat?
There is no fucking secret to this shit, man. Has the stream been buffering for people? This fucking internet, man, is like just
holy shit.
God damn it. No wonder there's less people watching right now. I swear to God, the internet thing it's a joke at this point. I've spent so much time and fucking money and effort
everything
to get the best fucking internet possible, and nobody can answer my shit. Nobody has it. People come here. The best is the fucking guy comes here the other day. He's like, I'm like, hey, yeah, there's definitely a problem. He's like, no, it looks good to me.
Looks good on my end.
I'm like, no,
I'm
sir.
seeing full
I'm like, there
strength.
is a problem.
Yeah, that's.
I'm like, whenever I'm live
too.
streaming, the thing keeps cutting out and has problems. He's like, yeah, no, that's definitely
it
not
is what
our.
it
That's
is.
not us.
But you can
I mean,
call
no, it's
them.
definitely you.
Yeah, he's like, you can call corporate and just tell them like.
No, the best was the corporate was telling him
times.
to replace the modem, and the guy like didn't want to replace the
Oh, yeah.
modem. He's
No,
like, the modem's fine.
Modems fine.
And then later, I'm like, can you just replace the modem? We replace the modem, then it starts working better. And he's like, oh, that's weird.
Guess it was the modem.
Never seen that before. I'm like, why the fuck do you care? It's not your modem. It's not like your personal fucking modem.
Yeah.
It's like when you go to Subway and they've been making your sub right, and they'd be like, put like 2 pieces of fucking spinach on there.
Yeah.
One time I told the person, I looked at him and said, hey, is that your spinach?
Is that
Is that like your personal fucking spinach that you're holding on to? You know, like
Those
you're
are for his
hoarding it?
kids.
I'm
Those
like,
are for his
bro, like, give me
kids.
some more spinach. And then he goes and puts like 4 more pieces on. I'm like, well, fuck you, okay?
you.
Like, I got 6 pieces of spinach on my fucking Subway.
And that little box
6.
pops up. Do you want to tip them? $1,
Yeah,
$2.
yeah, oh, yeah.
Fuck you.
You know what I also think is a really bad new president, new bed president, is presidents, or this whole thing where like, you know, when you go to a restaurant and you like go to check out now, they like come over with like little screens, right?
Oh, yeah.
And they put it right in your fucking face, and they're standing there watching you, and they're like,
Do you want a tip?
Do you want to
do you want to tip 25, 30, or 40?
Yeah.
You know, that's like the option. It's like 25, 35, or 45. And you're like, is there a 15% option?
Yeah.
Do I get
Literally.
the option for 15%?
I
But
do.
I think it's weird though, because like I said, the actual, you know, waiter is like coming over and then like sitting there watching you put the tip in.
And they definitely know what direction.
Oh,
like,
they know.
What,
Yeah,
what
they're
side
like,
your
I know where
fingers
the
on.
25%
Like you
is.
try to go to the 15
Yeah.
side, and they just shift it
Yeah,
out. Of you.
exactly.
Oh, sorry.
They're
Didn't
like
know
just
you did that.
staring and waiting. Like, come on now, hurry,
Yeah.
hurry.
And
I
do
got
you-
things to do. Like, okay, fuck.
Do you want a to-go water as well? The fuck? Now I did find food trucks
Kind
though.
of looking like a bit of a bear flag
Yeah, it
here.
is.
Through the 200s, maybe back down to the VWAP again. Well, looks like it's happening. Might be a little late to that party. We're right there at that pivot point, so
200.
205 is that pivot right there. This could be this would be a great place to trap, in the sense of if we dip down and then we get a wick back up and then we break out and go higher, that would be a great like sign for us, right? Because then we'd be like, oh, we know there's like some demand down here. We know that we got some support down there. Get that trap.
So we want to see a candle break 232 now, or are we still waiting for the 260s?
No, you're basically like back above 230s.
Yeah.
At this point, can try to get in that trend a little earlier, because the best thing about this now is, let's say if we do push back up we put in a lower high and then we go lower, at least you're like, you've still got, 20 points to kind of make a little bit of money, even if we do put in a lower high there. But right now, kind of that bear flag playing out, but just too much stuff going on here. You got the VWAP, you got the 15-minute range, you got the pivot point there. I ain't doing that again. I ain't short. Hey, you know what I'm not doing again? I ain't shorting into the VWAP. What they say, you fool me once, shame on you. Right. Fool me twice.
You can't get fooled again.
Can't get fool, man. You don't get fooled again, man.
Poor Biden. Oh man,
that was George Bush.
Yeah, it was George Bush.
Oh, it was George Bush that did it. Yeah, you're right. I thought it was fucking Biden.
Poor Biden. God damn it, Greg.
I agree with that.
It was Georgie.
Look at that.
There's an old saying in Tennessee, I know it's in Texas, probably Tennessee, that says, "Fool me once, shame on you." If fool me, we can't get fooled again.
You can't get fooled again.
That's how it goes.
That's so funny.
I like the fact that he's just like,
shame on.
I like how he goes.
It says, "Fool me once, shame on you."
Shame on you. But he's just like, he's like, all right, how's it go? Fool me once.
But they all have the teleprompters too, so that's the crazy thing.
Shame on you! NASDAQ, there's that bear flag playing out now, going lower, down to the VWAP now. Okay.
This could also be a trap. You were talking
great
about,
trap.
Right?
Bees in the trap.
But just to identify the fact that we did kind of have that bear flag kind of playing out there. It's just, like I said, it's kind of a tricky spot. Look at that, straight down now. All right, well now we can start to look for some bearish momentum here.
Sentiment.
Right? The ES is already down through the 15-minute range low. The NASDAQ also kind of moving down there. So I like the idea, if we can get stuck there below the VWAP, that would be great, right? The bears would love that. They would just love to get stuck below the VWAP now. Them bears would just love that.
For sure.
See if we can build out. Like, we basically want to see another bear flag type setup here.
Music's too loud.
Oh shit! The music
makes me lose control. Just looking for a little Traposaurus Rex.
Trying to build out that bear flag here. If they take through like the right now, it'd be like basically through the 170s. Try to get down there towards the gap fill. Indicator said to get short at the 117s.
That doesn't make sense. It's got to be a different chart.
Well, it's US
delayed. NAS 100.
It's huge time.
Oh yeah, that is something different. I was wondering why. That's actually that's the CFD version.
Grain market.
Or it's the NAS 100. Different. No wonder it doesn't work.
Gotta pay extra.
Been trying to get short of the 23,117 all morning. All right, I think this is looking pretty good for shorts. We just need to get that break to the downside here through the 70s and then take it on down.
Like right there.
Still just holding there. Claudia, do you stream every day, Patrick? I try to. For all my women out there, I'm here for the ladies.
I'm here for you.
For the ladies, taking care of the ladies.
So you like below 170 down to yesterday's close?
Correcto, Mungo.
Okay.
Dude, rocket power. Correctamundo, Raymundo.
They still have that?
No,
TV?
man. I wish they came back with
Yeah.
it, though. I miss rocket power.
Greg was definitely on rocket power
Hell yeah.
as a kid.
Woogie, 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 you know? Freaking awesome. The squid.
It's looking like a bear flag here.
So based on what I learned yesterday, too, since the flagpole is about 40 points, that's what we should expect the move to be when it breaks.
That is the theories.
The
The
what?
theory.
Flagpole.
Yeah, the flagpole of the bear flag. The length of it is about 40 points.
Oh, okay.
So if it drops, then
The
we're expecting
Dow's
it to drop
already
40.
making new lows. The ES is holding up right now at the lows here. So we'll see if NASDAQ's going to break this bear flag to the downside. Still just getting stuck there, 180s again.
Boop, 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 boop.
There's that VWAP support once again. See the great thing here.
We don't have to trade.
Don't have to trade it because it has not broken our flag. Just chopped it right back up again.
And we don't want to front run that trade.
We're right back up there now.
Man, we're learning. So if it goes past the pole, is it invalidated now, basically?
Basically.
Yeah.
I would like longs above this 200.
Yeah, I mean, I'd wait for that
Confirmation.
15-minute range to break.
Okay.
Get out of the 15-minute range, and then you can look for those longs, right? See, I love this style of trading because, again, it just like really forces me to not really do anything until I get like that
disciplined.
clear break of the flag, right?
Mhm. Which we might get sooner
Yeah, we
than
gotta be
later.
patient.
Checking to make sure the Lambo speakers
That-
work.
Could have been a trap as well, right?
This could also be a trap kind of back up there, but we're stuck there below that pivot point. I mean, this is really just going nowhere is
Yeah.
the issue, right? That's what's happening. It's just not going anywhere. So it all just goes back to the theory of like the market is not always moving and giving us setups that we want. You
Yeah.
know, the market is not just going to give you fucking setups every 5 minutes.
Does what it wants to do.
Yeah. It might not give you, there
Market
might not
don't
be another
care.
good setup for the rest of the fucking day.
Yeah.
And as a trader, you have to just like be okay with that. Where so many traders are not okay with that.
Yeah. Like,
Right? Where like they're gonna sit there in the chat and be like, fuck, it's a long, it's a short, it's a long. Like every fucking candle, it's a new idea. And it's like, relax, bro. It's not going anywhere.
That's how I felt.
So
the last
again,
2
like
days.
there's that push back up off the VWAP. So really, it's like at this point, I think there's obviously the potential of a
bull.
kind of head and shoulders. So that's kind of why I'm also saying I wouldn't be looking for a long until we get above that 220s, because see how we're basically shoulder, head, and then could push back up to build that shoulder there.
Okay.
If we get up through this shoulder and then we pull back, turn that 225 area into support, then we can look for those longs. See that? Like, that would make more sense.
That's patience. That's something I gotta learn for sure.
But I mean, what? I
would have already taken probably like 10 trades.
We're still inside the 15-minute range.
Yeah.
And
it's like the market has moved nowhere. Someone said it's a bear flag. I mean, okay. No real reason to get short until we break this fucking like little channel, little trend off those lows. So at this point, it's like still kind of like back through maybe the 180s. But we're still like right there at the VWAP. And again, like not every bull flag and not every bear flag is going to be a good setup.
The perfect trade.
Right. And it's not about being perfect. It's just the fact of like, if we have a bear flag that's breaking into support, you're fucked. You're like, oh, that kind of sucks. Right. You know? And if you have a bull flag that's breaking right into resistance, it's kind of like, oh, that's, you know, like, it's not always going to be like, oh my God, this is the bet. Look how amazing this
perfect
setup is.
All in.
Is that your car out there? Neighbor?
I have no idea. Fucking. Who is that? Which neighbor? The what?
The cleaning neighbor?
And what's he doing? Just sitting out there in his car? Just. Dude, is something else. They're like the maintenance man for this building.
Yeah.
He has like a fucking old fucking truck that has got a bunch of speakers in it. He just like sits out there and just plays it for no. I'm like, what are you doing right now?
He wants to invite. That's what he wants.
Well, then the best is he always like tries to like fucking come over and like hang out with me, and I'm like, bro, I'm working, you know, like.
Hey, you
I
see
can't
them
just be here
speakers?
hanging out and talking to you.
You want to come check out my speakers?
Yeah, I had to basically tell him at one point. I'm like, look, like, you know, you cannot be coming over there.
Stick to your world.
When I first moved in here, it was like every time he saw me, he fucking ran over here and wanted to talk to me. Hey, Patrick, what are you doing today? I'm like,
hey, man.
Fucking working,
You
man, trading.
Fish? You want to go fishing?
Trading, man. And then he'd always be like, he's like, I can wash all your cars for you. I'm like, oh, I got a guy. No, I can do it better. I'm like, yeah, well, I don't know, man. All right, well, market is absolutely going nowhere right now. This is a great time to do nothing. Sit on your hands. I think everybody do a little update.
Practice
green
your
on the
smiles.
day.
No, not yet. Because that first trade, we've only done 2 trades. We've only done 2 trades. First trade was a big one, so that was like 260. Second
What'd you
trade,
do on the? How'd you lose 260 on the first trade?
I was doing 4 contracts.
And then what'd you do on the next trade?
Then the next one, we did really well. Then we got
No,
5.
what did you do on? How many contracts did you trade on the next one?
5.
So you traded 5 on the. You traded 4 on the first one. You got stopped out.
Yep. Traded
And then
5
you
on the
took
second
5
one.
on the second one.
And it just wasn't as long. Yeah. The first one I think was 40 points. The second one was like 20 to 30 points. So now I'm only down 100.
How the fuck did you take a 40-point stop?
Because I put my stop where you told me to.
No, I did not. It was not 40 points. How does that even work? I got. No. It should have been maximum fucking 30 points.
All right, hold on. Let me see what we did.
No, it should have been maximum 30 points. 30 points max.
Yeah, it was 158 to 195.
And then your next trade was how many points?
Then the next one was like clusters, but like a 212 to 227.
All right, NASDAQ ripping up to the upside there now. All right, bulls are in control again. This is that breakout. Now we're looking for a little bit of a pullback here. A little bit of a pullback. And then I'm looking for longs. Everybody in the chat was looking for shorts down there. Uh-oh. Get a little pullback here with that little flag set up there. Why is Greg laughing? I think he just laughs when he's nervous.
You just smile. I just constantly smile. It's just my thing.
When he's nervous, so he's laughing.
Oh. Hide the pain. Hide the smile.
He's
Don't let
he's laughing because he's like, oh, this I'm losing.
There it goes.
Can you advise the best leverage? I don't know if I can advise that, to be honest. All right, here's our pullback. Not very pretty looking. Let's see if we dip down again a little lower. We're right there at the top of the 15-minute range.
That's not enough of a pullback there.
Well, it's just hard. Like, you really don't. We're waiting for that candle to make a new high. So now it's like the problem is like if this candle pushes from 220s to the 240s again, it just sucks because now what's your risk on that trade? You know, that's also the idea of entering these bull flags. Like you really want to enter at a spot where you're like, hey, if I enter this spot, then I'm only risking like 10 points.
Okay.
So that's kind of like why we're wanting to get that like pullback into that move. Now it's gonna just fucking go. I'm gonna try just two contracts. Basically, I don't even want to worry about my stop. I want to get this to go straight up to the 260s next, and then I might jump out. But my stop would basically be below like 220s now. But that's why I've only done one contract here, so I can always add into this maybe if we get more of a pullback. Just this candle right here is just being stupid little candle there. Yeah, I'm copy trading, guys. I got 2 accounts, one contract per account. Some says, Greg, don't smile if you need help.
Don't. Just a secret code.
Greg, just don't smile for 5 minutes if you need help.
I literally don't even think I could do that. How crazy is that?
All right, now we're just stuck here, 240s again. Getting that EMA to pull back up here a little higher, so kind of see what happens when we get pulled back into 230s again. See, really at this point, you're like, if you can get this set up would be ideal, right? If we can get the textbook little bull flag set up would be better. It's primed up. It's wanting to go. There she's pushing.
Come on.
Got like 260s, maybe a little higher through. I want to see how it reacts to 260s here now. Might just take it all there at for 20 points at the 63. Oh, I love when that happens. Like you're like,
yeah, I just tried to do it too, and I was like, no.
Nope, came right back down.
No.
All right, so now I can target higher, I guess. What a stupid little. I love when the market does that shit. You should hold all day for 23,500. Oh, what?
That's a lot.
23,500. Now I've heard some Some interesting targets. And my friend, that is an interesting target. Bro said 23,500.
That is insane. I didn't take that one. I would have got in too late.
I took 2 contracts. I sold one already. I'm holding the other one. That was a 46 to 57 sell, so that was good.
Yeah, it don't look pretty now. Pulling right back here again. Ugh. What are you doing to me, NASDAQ? What are you doing to me? Just chopping around here. Back to the 240s again. Back up there again, 250s. If we break through 255, I might look to add. And then try to sell everything into the 280s push here. Maybe. It's not really showing a lot of strength there, so I'm not going to add for now. ES and the NASDAQ both pushing back up here. See if we can get through that 60s now. I'm going to add right there. Let's see if we can get some continuation here through the 60s. Time and a place here. Time and a place.
It's respecting it. Respecting the trend, respecting the channel.
Get through the 60s here.
We're gonna walk away and come back to profits.
You're going too?
I'm sitting on.
Everybody's leaving me now. I need my people. Landon, don't leave me. Come sit down. Tell me what to do, Landon. Tell me what to do. It's making push. Should I take some profit? Take us a profit here, Landon. Tell me what to do, Landon.
Look at that.
I'm long.
Oh, let it.
I'm long in here, boy. Come on. Now what?
How do you wait?
Now I
It's
wait.
gonna hit.
It's gonna hit.
Yes, it has to.
It has to hit.
Right, come on.
Right here.
Yeah.
It hit.
It.
All right. All right. I like it. I like it. Back to the main show. We got Patrick Wieland live on YouTube.
Greg's still in.
There we go. There we go. Greg's still in it.
Yeah. Why does
What's he
his chart
doing?
look like this?
What?
His chart looks weird.
Char looks so weird, right?
So much.
He don't know
stuff
what
on
he's
it.
doing. He don't know what he's doing over there. He don't know what he's doing, Landon. He don't know what he's doing. Dude, my indicator's been printing back
Dude,
there.
it's in there.
For $1 billion, I'll teach you all how to use my indicator.
I think it's only missed like 2 trades.
Landon, what are you gonna come over here?
Yeah.
Tell the chat. Tomorrow's your birthday. What do you want for your birthday? I think you should tomorrow the tips
The tips.
on the stream.
Okay.
More tips.
Yeah.
Whatever they tip tomorrow, we'll give to you for your birthday.
Good deal. I agree. I agree.
Hey, that's what we'll do. Whatever the chat tips tomorrow, I will match.
Okay.
So if they tip 100, I'll give you another 100.
Okay, deal.
For Landon's birthday. It's not going to me. It's going to the 13-year-old. Tomorrow is Landon's birthday. 13 years old.
All right.
Are you excited to be a teenager?
Kinda.
You're going to be a teenager, bro. That is crazy.
Yeah.
We got life lessons? No lessons about life?
No.
Not about trading?
Trading?
So you got to talk closer. Tell them.
About what?
Tell them what life lesson about trading. If you give one piece of advice.
Oof.
Oof.
Make a trade that's good.
Oh, buy his course. Buy his course.
You heard it here first. So while I was gone, that sell hit. That was exciting.
Oh, did you get filled?
Or did Landon? Did you hit it? Oh, nice, man. Nice.
What, you took it?
No, I took it. Yeah.
Where was your sell at?
It was 268. So it was
268. Well, that's perfect because I got filled at 268 too.
Nice. It was 246.
It's like we're here together doing this together or something.
It's like we're live on YouTube.
All right. So are you green on the day now?
Fuck no.
No?
I'm doing micros.
How the fuck are you not green on the day?
I'm 956 now. So we're almost. We're down, 44.
God.
I gotta take. Well, I'll start taking.
All right.
bigger.
So how many contracts do you take on that trade?
That was 3 contracts. One sold off nice. The other
Why
two.
are you trading different size per trade? You did 4, then you did 5, then you did 3.
That time it was down to 4. So I guess I should say I took 4. Or did I take 3? No, I took 3. Because I want to do at least 3. Because I want to do a scale.
I know, but why? I'm trying to figure out because you had 1 losing trade, and you had 2 losing trades. You had one losing trade, 2 winning
winners.
trades.
Yeah.
So the question is, how the fuck are you not green?
I know, because I didn't.
Something's not right
I
here.
Scaled too
I'm
much.
confused. What's happening here?
Scaled too much on the first one, held it too long. Didn't scale enough, I guess, on the next 2, and held them long enough, all of them, to the correct profit area.
I don't understand. I'm confused. I'm losing my mind.
I mean, that last trade, honestly, only one of them hit profit. The other 2 just cashed out as even, basically.
Fuck.
How are we looking, boys?
Oh, I'm looking real good.
It's going nowhere.
I'm up 4,000 on those new FT1 accounts, and then I'm up 1,700 in my funding a ticket accounts.
4,000 already? So you already passed.
No, well, I'm up 2,000 each account. So I do the, it's copy trading. So
Yeah.
Copy trades.
Has the leaderboard updated yet? It's updated. Fuck you, Flavio. I saw Flavio in the chat earlier. Where'd he go now? What's up, Daddy? I'm coming for this motherfucker. He's up 40 grand. I'm up 30 grand. Right now, 30% profit. Look at his win rate right now is getting killed. He must be on a losing streak or something because he had a way better winning streak and now it's at 38%. It happens, right? You're going to go through those hot streaks and cold streaks. Right now, the market pulling back. If we look here on the all-time leaderboard, God, I'm not even in the top 3 anymore. All right, we got to figure out what the fuck Thomas H is doing. Bro, something is not right. Are you seeing these stats? He's got a 95% win ratio, right? 95%. His average losing trade is $65. His average winning trade is $3,900. What in the fuck is Thomas H doing? I mean, these are crazy stats.
Yeah, that's insane.
He's up $75,000. Like, I got to figure out what the fuck he is doing because this is crazy. I don't even understand. 6-hour duration as well.
And you're only making 3 grand over those 6 hours, though. How does that math even math? If each trade is only 6 hours long, average win 3,900. The
other day it was showing how many trades total. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Yeah, so he's taken 20 trades. I don't even understand.
Damn.
Wait, hold on a second.
I mean, that makes sense. Yeah, 20 times 4.
Yeah, I guess it'd be like right
80.
there. Fucking
yeah, 20
80.
times 4 is 80.
But still, he's only had 1 losing trade. He's only had one losing trade.
Damn.
The math ain't mathin'.
I mean, I'm just trying to figure out what I don't even I don't know how that strategy would. I don't know. That's just like that's really, really fucking insane. The interesting question is, will he be able to do it consistently now? He's only taken 20 trades, whereas I've taken 689 trades. Crazy. What the fuck? But I've also been Innocent P has had his account for 64 days. I've had mine for 47, I think now. But like, if you look here at the top five accounts, Flavio, who's actually in the chat, he's got 75% win-loss ratio. I'm at 63%. This guy's at 51. This guy's at 38.
Damn.
And then this guy's at 95. It's not that hard. Check out SCI. He's up 1 million.
It's not that hard.
I love when people in the chat be like, it's not that hard.
Everybody can do it.
Hey, if it ain't that hard, then let me fucking see you do it. You know what I mean? Let me see you do it. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, Patrick, it's not that hard to be up $1 million. Well, are you up 1 million? Well, I'm not up 1 million, but it's not that hard. That's like their argument. Patrick, it's not hard to have a 95% win rate. Okay, well, what's your win rate? Well, mine's 30.
People have done it.
You know? Patrick, what are my thoughts on Uvier? It's a joke, guys. Come on now. It's a scam.
Here we go.
It's a scam.
Let's get Pat riled up.
Get me riled up.
Let's go.
Jay Dunn's up 84 million. Exactly. 84 fucking million. All right, here's that little bull flag type of setup. Are you guys looking at these longs here, maybe?
Yeah, I'm liking them.
You liking them? Which prop farm is that? That's Funding Ticks. Funding Ticks. I think there's a long here.
What do we want for confirmation though? At break 259.
It's kind of like we gotta pull the trigger here
right now.
Like now. I'm gonna pull the trigger.
Stops 225-ish.
I'll go stop at the 34s for now, just to kind of minimize. Just see if we can't get a little ripper. Give me a little ripper.
Nice.
Quick little ripper up there. Go for the
259.
Go for a quick 10 points here. Quick 10 points. It's almost 11 o'clock, so got to pay for Chipotle somehow. Woo. The editor, man, he always gets double guac and double meat. It's the weirdest thing, bro.
That's crazy.
It's like a $40 bowl. Whenever we go
get that protein
to Chipotle, it's $40 for the editor.
Oh,
to
nice
eat.
move.
I made a little bit of money there.
Look at that. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Nice little bull flag set up there. Nice and easy. 10 points. It's still going higher.
In my personal, I was up. Where in my funded, I got in at like 232.
Yeah.
And rode it to 259.
You got 232?
Yeah, man.
Well, you get long down here? You got long? Yeah, but why'd you get long?
I got long on that candle that was going up.
Sir.
You know what?
Sir.
It ended up working out.
Yeah, but remember we talked about earlier not trading on just because?
Well, all right. So that was the top of the 15-minute.
No. Nope. You're not going to convince me, sir.
Well, that's what I'm in my head. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, well,
right?
You needed that confirmation. The only entry there would have been above 240s to really be like above getting long at 230. You're just basically praying and hoping that it bounces off the opening range high. If it gets back above 240,
that's what I was doing.
Then you're in the trade. All right, well, that's a nice little push off of the 240s, right up there to the 280s now. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Story of my life, you know, if I had $1 for every time I sold early, you know what I mean, Craig?
Shit.
You know what I mean, Craig?
Listen,
are you green yet?
I'm down $18.
God damn it! These
I'm
fucking
only down
micro traders.
$18.
That's all right.
I mean, I'll switch to the.
No, you just keep doing what you're doing, because that first trade would have blown the account.
Yeah, first trade would have fucked me.
Full fucking retard status.
Ooh. All right. Well, now I'll do 4 contracts next time. We'll get real.
But what we need to do is we want to trade
serious.
fucking consistently.
Yeah.
Every time it's the same size.
Same size.
Right? Same size.
We'll always do
Because that
4.
way it's like if you do have a, I like to trade with the idea of like, hey, I'm going to basically risk 10 points. And then my next trade, I'm going to make 10 points. Like minimum, I'm going to make 10 points. And then if I do that, you know, if I lose one trade and then I have 3 trades where I make 10 points, I'm back to break even. I'm in the green and then I'm in the green again. That's what we did today. The first trade of the day, it sucks. But at the same time, it's like,
we made it back.
It's just part of it.
And then made it back.
Right? We took a trade, we got stopped out, and then we looked for the next setup. But the 15-minute range playing out there beautifully. 1050 bouncing there off the 23,237s. Greg's just a chill guy. Literally, he's too chill. I told him this morning, I'm like, you don't fucking smile. If you're in a trade, don't be smiling.
Don't be smiling. Making everybody all nervous.
Put a frown on your face. Put a frown on your face.
Don't listen to chat.
All right. What do we got next? What do we got next here? I got all this stuff going on behind me. I feel like I'm on the news now. Today on the news, we got the Texas Democrats speaking in Boston about the redistricting. Why can't I say that?
It's close. It's close. It's real close.
Redistricting. Is that it?
I don't even know what you're trying to say anymore. I'm so confused.
Redistricting.
You gotta add the dick to it.
Redistricting.
You gotta add the dick.
They're gonna redistrict in Japan.
And it's a
I mean in Texas.
Standoff.
I don't know why the Democrats are just all freaking out because they don't want the Republicans to get more votes in Texas. That's all they're doing. It's the only thing they're doing. I'm so tired of these fucking politicians. It's like every day, it's just a new story of like, how can I fuck over my other politician? It used to be that politicians would go to Washington, you know, to try to like help Americans. But now it's all just, let's sit around talking about how we can get Trump fired.
Right. Yeah.
You know, let's waste all of our time and all of our fucking effort to make sure that we don't do anything other than try to get Trump fired. Like, oh, wow. You know, I was a politician for 4 years, and what I do the whole time? I just watched. I just tried to get Trump fired basically for 4 years. And then I traded stocks with Pelosi and I made a shit ton of money. Also answer that. How is it that politicians get paid like $100,000 a year, but they're all millionaires? How does that work?
Like not even millionaires. It's like 30 million, 50 million,
do they think we're fucking retarded?
That's
what I ask people. I'm like,
I
think people, if politicians think that we are retarded and they can just simply make millions of dollars trading stocks, it's like, are we all retarded? Like, is everybody just fucking retarded?
We did just break a new high too, by the way. Just kissed it.
Made a new high today.
Kissed a new high.
Off that bull flag from earlier.
Woo.
The EMAs. Look at the EMAs too. Little pullback, nice little wee. I think you can maybe almost get along here from the 80s up there through the 300s. The ES is moving. NASDAQ's moving. You got a little bit of a pullback here. Just not ideal, but let me see. What do we got? Do I play with fire one more time?
Fire. Do it.
Play with the fire again?
It's going to go. It's going to go.
I'd almost like rather see it like a little candle maybe down in the 70s again. But it might just go. It might just go. It might just go there. Oh, Lord. It's just going. We just look at it. Just look at it,
Just
chat.
look at it.
Just look at it. Just look at it. Alan said, and if Trump truly cared about Americans, he would quit supporting Ukraine and Israel. I mean, I think there's a lot more to that story than just simply that, Alan. I think there's just more to it, you know. It's not as cut and dry. It's not as black and white as people think it is.
I'm glad we're actually seeing news articles now, though. I feel like when Biden was in, you didn't see or hear anything.
You didn't even see him.
It was just quiet, right? You didn't know anything that was going on. Now every 10 minutes, you know exactly what's going on.
Are you in?
No,
he's not.
You want to pull back to 70. See where it goes from there? Maybe a little.
Yeah, I'm just kind of seeing like if we get like a quick bounce maybe off that 70 level. Like I kind of want to see like kind of watching those candles, right? Like that's not very sexy looking like pullback candle.
Yeah.
Kind of close at the lows there of that candle. So kind of want to see like a reaction.
A little EMA.
Just to like see kind of a reaction there.
Maybe a bounce off the EMA, 267.
I mean, hey, we can all sit around and argue about politics all day, all we want, but let's be honest, it's all fucking a scam, man. It's all a scam. You know, the government spends more money than they make, and then they print more money than they tax us on every single thing that we do. You know, the question is, why am I paying taxes when you just print more money? You know what? Like, why? Why did I pay $1.6 million in taxes? For what? For what? Just so you can print more money?
For who?
It's like, what's the fuck? Why don't we just print more? Who cares? Just keep printing. Fuck it. Let's make everything just go to the fucking moon.
Everybody gets.
I want my car to be worth $1 million. There's a reason that I'm buying old cars, and it ain't because I think inflation's going down. You know what I mean? My Porsches, those old Porsches are gonna fucking. They are. It's like they're worth their weight in gold, baby. Guys, Matt, everybody in the chat, like, I get it. Y'all are butthurt about Trump. I get it. Like I've said a million times, and I'll say this a million times again. At the end of the day, who was the better option, Biden or Trump? You know, it's like, it sucks. It sucks that we have to vote based on literally one brain dead fucking idiot and then another fucking crazy person. You know, I mean, I think Trump's hilarious, but at the same time, it's just like, what are you gonna do? You know what I mean? Like, they give us two options. Fucking Kamala Harris, who is an absolute fucking retard. I mean, imagine if we had Kamala Harris here at the BDH, she would not. Patrick. Trading it's like a book.
I was born from a middle class family.
Every day, you just got to turn the page. If you have a red day on a Monday, just turn the page.
There you go.
Before you know it, on Tuesday, you'll be green. And if you have a red day on Tuesday, just turn the page. You know, all we need to do here is just turn the page. That's my new mentorship. All right, guys, listen. You know, let's think about this. What do we need to do here to be green? Let's just turn the page.
Let's just turn it.
Patrick Wieland said they stop us from using your code on Take Profit. What do you mean they stopped you? Ain't nobody stopped you. You're telling me they stopping you from using my code? PW gets the best deals always. PW, what do you think about the break or the bounce off the EMAs? I don't hate it, but I also think that we could easily just go straight through that EMA. So the great thing now is let this pull back some more. Let it pull back maybe, you know, a little bit more. Tap that 21 EMA. And then we're looking for kind of that first candle to make a new high.
Knowledge.
Your code still works on Tradeify. Yeah, I know it's bullshit. Real bullshit. I should get paid. Tradeify is making $1 million a month off of me, and they don't even pay me for it. It's fucked up. Everybody should boycott Tradeify until they pay me. True story. JK. Don't boycott them, but it's fucked up.
Man, that's why you don't buy at the EMA. Look at that.
Look at that. See?
Look at that.
Look at that. Greg's learning.
Learned. We're up $7 now.
Well, because the thing is, like, if it's pulling back, it's like, what's the point in getting in? Because you know that, like, the candle has to make a new high to go higher. So it's like the odds of you being able to pick the bottom perfectly, it's almost like zero. And then you're getting like, but the odds of you getting into a trade when it's pushing back up above the previous candle high and pushing higher, like good. Now we're getting to that 55, 60%, right? No, there is no strategy that is 100% of the time. Yeah. But there is strategy where I can be like, hey, instead of a 50-50 where I try to buy the dip just in hope and pray, now I'm going to try to like wait for that fucking little breakout through that previous candle high. And then at least now I'm at like 65%.
Yeah. And that was a mistake I kept making.
I still might not make money, right? I still might make zero money on this trade, but at least I'm like, my odds are more in my favor.
Yeah. More confidence too.
Yeah. Well, I just like, it's just no reason. Nice little push back up here, holding that 21 EMA. Now we're below the 21, below the 9 EMA. So if we can push back, like let's say if we can break above 75s here and then have the right little candle looking, I want to see that candle looking sexy, and then I might look for a long there.
Just a big old voluptuous candle.
BBC, baby. Big boner candles.
It's gonna be your next t-shirt.
See, like, nice little push. This is that little push we want to see. So now we can kind of let this candle close here. Maybe get a little pullback. Little pullback. I might have to just, let me get a little bit right here. I'm just looking at it. I'm looking for a long. Need a little bit more pullback there. Maybe I'm gonna try it right there. I'm gonna try to add into this as well. Go a little bigger on this trade. See if we can't get an end of day. Well, not an end of day push. 11 o'clock push here. Dude, the editor is gonna get all caught up in my wires over there. You're gonna see him fall over here in a second. If the stream goes down, it's because the editor got caught up in the wires, everybody. All right, so it's not because the internet, it's because the editor, he got caught in the wires.
Now, where would your stop be here?
Stop's got to be basically the below of this candle. I sized up here, maybe at the wrong time. We'll see. But let it play, let it ride. I don't love it.
No, you got the market makers watching you, man.
The market makers are watching
Seriously.
me. They're watching me. The editor is the reason the stream's lagging. He keeps stepping on the wires, I swear. You know, and people don't believe me, but it's really happening. All right, I need to make some money on this trade here. I need to make a little bit of money. Just a little bit. Not a lot of bit, but just a little bit. We're holding up there. If we get through that 80 level, I think we're going 300. So that's what I would like to see target-wise. Oh, yeah.
There we
300s,
go.
huh?
300, dog.
300.
We'll see how I feel. If it chops around some more, I might take a little probably a little earlier. You know what I mean?
Greg, you in?
Yeah.
You riding it?
276.
There you go. There you go.
Greg wants to get green on the day. Come on.
Woo!
Come on,
Let's
NASDAQ.
do
Let's
it.
go up so that way Greg can be green. Come on, NASDAQ. He's got goats to pay for. Pay for those goats, please.
Goats, chicken. You got chickens?
No, ducks.
Ducks.
No chickens?
Fuck chickens.
Is this because they make noise or what?
Yeah, they're just a lot louder. They're a lot messier. They're a lot dirtier. Ducks are a little cleaner and stuff.
What kind of ducks you got?
Runner ducks, and then
Runner
pecan.
ducks. They run.
Runner duck.
What's they look like? They look like they run all the. Ooh, look at that.
Lands up 1,000 on the day. Fucking kid is killing it. He's going back to school next week. He's fucked. He's gonna be in school. They're gonna be like telling him like learn how to do algebra. He's like, what the fuck do I need algebra for? I just fuck it. Plus 1, plus 2, lady.
Plus 1, plus 2. Order filled.
How much
That's
money?
it.
Order filled.
Order filled is the only
Buy
thing I
long,
know.
get short. That's all that matters. Algebra don't mean shit. All right, NASDAQ looking really good. I got one runner. I'm moving it to the 285s now.
I
Come
should've
on,
kept the
chat.
runner.
We are on
Let's
fire
go,
today.
Let's go.
We're on fire today. We're not. Look at that. The great part about this now is I can't lose less than 10 points. Now that I say that, fuck you, NASDAQ. Don't do it. God damn it. Hey, but at least I locked it in. All right, we're locking it in there.
I locked it in right at the high of that last
How'd you do? Are
candle.
you green on the day?
Yeah, $76.
Fuck
go.
yes! Woo!
Dreams can be made here at the BDH.
We are doing it finally.
Dreams can be made. I mean, and more importantly, I've taken only 4 trades today.
That
And
is
3
actually amazing.
of the 4 trades.
That's amazing results.
are green.
I got to get your account info so I can log into it tomorrow.
Look at that.
I can show you trades. I only have your take
shit.
profit stuff, but I'll get the funny tick stuff tomorrow. Hey, big round of applause in the chat. We got a giveaway. We'll do the giveaway here. Let's do the giveaway. Who wants to win? We got 5 funding ticks accounts to give away. I had to give some accounts to Greg and to Alex, so blame
To the
them that there's not
D-gens.
more winners.
D-gens.
It's their fault.
Yeah,
The
baby.
winners keep winning.
It's their fault.
I'm at an 89.47% profitable trade today.
See, that's what's crazy is that, you know what this is?
I know, that's what's crazy.
What is the
I know.
proof of this? What is the lesson here, Greg?
That I have to be better at scaling because that first trade
I wouldn't say scaling. You have to be better on cutting off your losers.
Yeah, correct.
Because that again, like I can look at your chart and let me see it. I can already tell you. I know what I'm looking at if I go look at it right now. Watch this. I'm
Let's
gonna
just
look at it.
Just
I'm gonna
look
look at it. I'm gonna look at it with you. Let me see this. Let me see this here.
Look at this beautiful chart here.
All right. I want to see that first trade in the morning. Let me see that first trade in the morning. What do we do? Oh my God, this guy's got lines all over the place.
45-degree angle, yellow.
Yeah, well, look at that. Look at that trade right there. Why would your 45 not be like this, my friend? See? Yeah. So the same way that you're entering on the 45, if the 45 happens to you, that's your stop.
Breaks. That's where you got to get out.
That's where you got to get out. So if you would have gotten out here, I mean, like 180, 185, you'd be up $200 on the day.
Yeah.
So I mean, everything else looks good. Little. This one, I mean, there you fucking might have got a little higher on it, but it was honestly kind of a tricky day for these little breakouts.
The only one I'm not proud of.
Yeah, no, that one's terrible.
Yeah, we're not proud of.
Why'd you do that one though? Well, also like ask yourself too that like if you're looking at this and like you took profit here, you know what I mean? Like, and then it's like, do you really, like kind of like
we missed the move, so don't double down.
Hey, you got it. It's all good. We're making progress.
$76. We gotta walk away.
We went from fucking Monday being red, Tuesday
red.
being red, and then today being green.
So we're supposed to make 200
Progress.
today. Tomorrow's 1,200.
Tomorrow's 1,200.
That's what the plan
Tomorrow
is.
$5 million. He's back tomorrow to make 5,000. Chat, don't
87
worry.
million verified.
Don't worry. Tomorrow he's coming back.
Live
All
on
right,
YouTube.
so we got giveaway winners here. Adrian, how the fuck you say that name? Seismac.
Good enough.
Seismic? How would you say that, Greg?
Zizmakak.
Zizmazak.
That's crazy.
Zimazak. We got Thorsten Hellenbrand. That guy's he is definitely a Viking. We got Felipe Stapa, Vladimir Jimenez, and Carol Kalawant. Dude, who the fuck are these people? These are all like Russian. These are all like fucking Eastern Europeans.
Vladimir.
Felipe might not be Eastern European, but Vladimir definitely. He'd be living in fucking Transylvania.
You just got a bot running all
Dude,
your
we got
stuff.
the fucking bot winning all these accounts. I hope they live in a country that they're able to actually trade in.
They heard us yesterday. That's what they're doing. They're going to sell them back for 5% off instead of...
That's a good plan.
It is.
Look at the AMD. Lisa Su. AMD's up 20. Oh, for the year. I thought that was today. I am Lisa Su. I am a no, I was going to say transgender. I'm a lesbian CEO. Now they're down 8% on the day. Should I buy AMD, you think?
Dude, she's...
Why is AMD down so much on the day?
She's NVIDIA's like cousin, too, if you guys didn't know that.
Who's?
The leader of NVIDIA. She's his cousin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, that's what they do. It's like they keep it in the family, bro. Over there in China, they have a big pool of people. Like, you will be CEO today. Okay.
Literally, imagine going like that Thanksgiving, though. That's going to be crazy. Just a couple billionaires hanging out in a room.
Shit.
What you know?
What you know about that? What you know about them billionaires hanging out? Why is AMD down so big today?
Tariffs yesterday, remember?
I know. I didn't hear.
They were starting to talk about them.
I wonder. Yeah, it really got crushed. I guess not really that much.
Time to go long. I haven't even looked. What is Palantir doing?
Oh, Palantir's only going up, sir.
Is it?
I'm trying to figure out like what my next long-term play is here. Oh, dude, literally, Palantir's at 179. Greg's short on Palantir with his Palan-D.
That's so funny.
Yeah, now it's down to 7, Greg. First day Greg gets here, he's like, yeah, no, I'm short on Palantir. I'm like, why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Couple runners left.
Couple runners about to be in the grave. NASDAQ trying to break out here through the 23,300s. Will it go all the way? There's the break. It's going. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. See, kind of like another little little mini bull flag set up there again on that pullback on the NASDAQ here.
Ooh.
There's that push through the 300s.
We're stalking our prey, chat. We're line stalking.
You want to show my chart?
I can't see your chart.
You can't?
No, I got to get your funding ticket info. How did it look? Do I want to look at it? Do I want to look at it?
Yeah, look at it. I'm up.
Do I want to look at it?
350.
Is it good?
I'm up 350.
Nice, man.
I'll come look at it.
There you go.
I'm going to come over and look at it.
Come look at it.
Just look at it.
Just look at it.
Look at it.
Not bad.
All right. It's up $345. Dude, you're on the legacy charts, bro. Get off these legacy charts.
I don't even know what that means.
Exactly. That's the issue. I don't know why, but for some reason it loaded up the legacy charts. So much better, but not like that, but like this. Oh,
That does look better.
so much better. I don't know why it started doing that, to be honest. What do you want yours, like right here? Wait, where the fuck?
MNQ.
Oh, you're on the M and Q. I was wondering, I'm like, where are all your entries at? Oh my God. It's so weird when I touch other people's stuff. It's like not the same feeling, you know? Not the same feeling. I touch some other dude's stuff, man. Oh yeah, gotta go here. Ooh, I like that entry. 74s, 93s. Oh, that was what?
That was our loss, I think.
Oh, yeah, you know, this was the loss, which was fine. Yeah, I mean, kind of the same. I think we all kind of just had the little too wide there, huh? We probably should have gotten out a lot sooner on that short this morning, to be honest. But that was not, I mean, you got long there. That's what, fucking 45 points?
Let's go.
45 points for Alex. Landon approves.
45-pointer.
Landon, you approve?
I want to see your trades on the street. I can pull them up. I'll pull them up. I'll pull it up. You come tell us about them. You come tell us about them over here. We got Landon. Oh, the NASDAQ still pushing through the 300s now. 315s. Good Lord. All right, we're going to look at Landon's trades now. Looking at the Lando's trades. Let's see what we got. Loading. The trades are so epic, they gotta load. Landon's up $1,000 today in his Take Profit Trader account. Somebody literally was like commenting like, you can't have a 12-year-old trading. You're gonna get in trouble. I'm like, guys, it's a joke. I ain't fucking. I'm not over here like submitting payouts. All right, Landon, break it down. What do you got?
All right, go from the very start.
Go from the very start. Okay.
All right. Where is market open? I took
All right. Took the long above
10,
the 200.
10-point scalp.
Ooh, okay.
Made 200 on that.
Yeah.
Nice.
You got short with us too.
No, yeah, I got.
You're
short,
retarded just like us.
This wasn't the short.
Hell yeah.
I took
You're my little retarded buddy.
I don't even know what is this. I don't know what this. This wasn't the short. The short. Because look.
What?
I lost.
Just go back. We get it. I get it.
No, but I lost 200 on this. I think. What is this?
You got short, then you got stopped out.
Oh, you're up here.
Yeah.
What's this?
Yeah. That's what you did.
Okay, and then.
You got long. 206, 220, 14 points.
Yeah. And
You got long there. Why'd you get long there for? Was it because of me?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's because of me. He listened to me again. Yeah.
Okay.
But this, I mean, that was definitely the better entry, that 206.
Yeah. No. Oh no. You know what I did? This was 2 trades.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
you got
I
long.
entered at the 213, and then I put in another trade while still in that trade, and I sold both at 230.
That's pretty good. Okay, and what else?
All right, and then I just.
Market definitely got better here
Then
in the
I
last
waited,
in the last
took
hour.
10-point scalp.
From the 50 to 60s, boom, 10
and
points,
then
10 points.
And then 20 points, 70 to 90.
Ooh!
Nice.
Nice work.
Nice.
My
dude.
favorite retard in the whole world. He is one of us.
One of us.
I'm gonna go to fucking bring your parents to work day. Bring your parents to school day. Tell all the kids show and tell. You think your teacher would be mad if I called you a retard in front of the whole class, Landon? You just be like, no, sorry, he it's different for him. All right, so my 12-year-old, his stats today, hitting about 75% win rate. He's up $1,000 on the day. He had one loser, and that might have been because of me. See, this is the effect that I have on people. The whole entire world's tuning in and watching and possibly losing with me. Oh, God. Oh God, look at that. Oh, look at the indicator. The indicator would have, you've been long the whole time because the indicator right now. NASDAQ's still going higher here. Oh my Lord. See, look at how much better the market's moving now. Like, you guys see that? Like,
yeah, popping.
How it's like now it's like, it's doing it, right? It's actually doing something. Like like this is actually tradable fucking action.
Let's trade it.
Well, I mean, not now, sir. Well, I'm just saying, like, the whole point of it is the fact of like in the morning, the chop.
Yep.
We get that big like push, the pullback, and then it's like now we're just trending higher. And this is where those bull flags will pay, right? Like they are paying the bills here because you're actually getting those follow through. Mm. When the market's choppy, when the market's going nowhere, the bull flags don't work.
Right.
Bear flags don't work, right? There's my thing turned off. I think because Landon logged in or something. No, you're good. But that's the thing, right? If the market's not moving, if you're not trading momentum, then what are you going to do? And I think that's the hardest part about being a trader is just being honest with yourself, right? Like, what are we looking for? We're looking for movement.
Yep.
We need movement to get those breakouts. If you're buying breakouts when the market's not moving, you're just going to get chopped up and get destroyed. So today is a great example of just being patient. We had plenty of setups that we were just like waiting, patient. And guess what? The bigger trend kind of still held.
Yeah, it held the trend line, actually.
Right? We didn't get that. We were talking about those shorts, getting short down there at like the 170, 180 level. And look where it held up at, right there at the VWAP. So, I mean, we were on it. We were in the right spot.
So now we want like a 300 retest, maybe.
300 retest, or, you know, now you're looking at like, look at the 5-minute chart, look at the bigger time frames, and you start to like ask yourself, like, are we, you know, getting to the top of this move? Are we going to be kind of moving into that next area of consolidation? Because really, when you think about it, like, like this whole setup this morning, this whole move was just like consolidation.
Yeah.
Right. It's just like chop. We finally, like, now we're above this 260 area. We're starting to break out of the consolidation zone. So now the question is, on the next pullback, do we then kind of go into more consolidation before another leg higher? So buying that pullback here gets to a point where you're like, how long do you want to sit here and stare at it? It's 11:30, you know?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of buying breakouts in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
Just because knowing my stats and knowing like how long I've been trading, that's always where I end up getting in those trades where I end up averaging down and then holding, and, you know, maybe I get a little bit into the green, but then I just like, it just bleeds out on me.
Yeah.
And that's just because it's like consolidating and just kind of hitting that lunchtime hour.
Yeah, I was going to say the lunchtime algo.
Yeah.
Algo.
But it's funny though, is, you know,
sleepy.
people always say like, oh, you know, you're going to lunchtime. And I'm like, well, I've been to many trading floors, and they don't leave their computers.
Right.
They ain't leaving for lunch. You know what I mean? Like if you're a big time trader and you're sitting at a fucking firm,
Yeah.
you're not like, all right, guys,
I'm leaving.
let's go to Five Guys for lunch today. Take 2 hours.
Right.
Like, no, you're fucking trading at your desk.
Yeah, you dialed in.
So, and now, I mean, people are trading on their fucking phones.
Yeah.
You know, you put a trade on and then go to lunch and then look at your phone.
Yeah.
So, but you do obviously get less volume, right? Middle of the day, you're going to have less volume.
Very sleepy.
That's like yesterday. I came back from the boat. I got back here at like 3:45,
Yeah.
3:50. I put a long on, made like another $1,000.
Yeah.
And that was literally just me walking in, sitting down, seeing a setup, and then trading.
Just doing a quick one.
And that was like, you know, like that's like a 5 minutes, just like sit down, boom.
Yeah.
And because I know 350, you know, you get that volatility in the day. We get volume, we get action.
Yeah.
If there's volume, if there's action, if the market's moving, I could fucking print money all day.
Yeah.
It's the chop. It's the, you know, the breakout, the fake outs, the
Unsure
fake
the
out, you know, that
directions.
bullshit is where I get fucked at. Remember like a couple of months ago when, you know, we'd have like 100-point candles.
Yeah, that was crazy.
But that I excel in that, right?
Yeah, that
like
was
those
awesome.
are the days where I'm killing it, because again, it's like if we get a breakout and we're getting 30, 40 points on a breakout, like I'm fucking printing money.
Yeah.
You know, and those breakouts, like when they do break out, you're going to get that like just fucking very, very strong.
Thrusty. Real good thrusty.
A lot of velocity. So much velocity. I need more velocity.
So you usually trade from like 9:30 to 11:30, 12. What would it take? What would you be looking for like a quote unquote after hours trade for you?
After hours, like after 12?
Yeah.
Just another good setup. I would look for a deeper pullback, right? Like on this setup here, like we said, like now we're kind of entering that point where it's like, are we going to now consolidate lower? Just kind of build out more of a flag. Like how much higher are we going to go here? We've got yesterday's high up there at the 393s, 400 level, 23,400. Do we grind all the way back up there?
It would take a while.
It might take a while. I mean, hell, it could go right there, I guess, but the odds are not, I would say, not in my favor. Right? You know what I mean? That's the way I look at it. The odds, like, again, because it comes down to the fucking, everything's 50-50, right? Mm-hmm. Every trade is 50-50. So if I can identify a setup that then puts it to 60 or 70% chance of going higher, that's all I'm looking for. So I also know that like time of day is important, right? If I keep trading throughout the day, if I try to trade for 8 hours a day, I don't get better results, right? Like I've tried that. When I first started trading, I would try to trade from 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock every day.
Yeah.
And it would just like, I would get so burnt out.
Yeah.
You know, mentally, emotionally, because it's just, there's a point where you can't look at this shit any longer.
Yeah, you just
right?
dial
like,
in, especially when you're in such a tight time frame too.
Yeah, that's also the best, right?
Yeah.
The best is when you get so like, you just turn into like tunnel vision where you're like, you don't care about anything. You don't care, like you just start looking at it and you're like, whoa. Look at that 1 minute chart, you know, like you just staring at it.
You got the kid tugging on
like
you and stuff
there,
like that.
Like you're like this. You're like, oh man, look at it. You know, like, look at it. Look at it. And then you zoom out and you're like, oh, wait a second. Look at it. Look at it. I mean, the best part is we were long from what, 270? Now it's at 320. I always think like, you know, is it the prop firms that have the prop firms made it so that I'm like, is that reason that I'm also so quick to take profit?
They're conditioning you.
You know, like all these little magical targets and goals and drawdown, like all this stuff, and it really like, you know, you're so focused. I think the leaderboard fucks me up too, to be honest. I know I like try to blame the chat, but honestly, the leaderboard like gets in my head.
Push the bigger trade.
Yeah, because now I'm trying to like, I'm like, fuck, I gotta have a bigger trade, right? I gotta go bigger. I gotta make more money so I can be on top of the leaderboard.
I mean, that's what that guy is essentially doing too. He's just like he bought it. He bought it 165.
He's ruining my
for
life
example,
right now. He's ruining my life right now.
He's just sitting on it.
He's ruining my life because I don't even understand how this is possible, to be honest. I would love to see this guy's charts. Honestly, I wonder. I'll text Funding Ticks and be like, hey, I want to see what this guy's doing.
Guy? Send me this guy.
Yeah, what is this guy doing? You know, what's this guy doing? I want to see.
Let's say today went the opposite and we had 3 bad trades in a row. As a beginning trader who doesn't really know when to quit, when do you think the time to like walk away is? Instead of like, hey, like yesterday, I'll go until I blow it. You know what I mean? When do you think a good time to walk away is, you know, to build that discipline?
I mean, to be honest, like you should never have three red trades in a row.
Well, when you're new and you suck.
No, I know, but I mean, it's just like that's probably just because you're over trading or you're not like you're not in it. But I guess if you're just looking for a cutoff, I mean, I think you have to have that max loss, right? Like just be like, hey, $500 is the maximum that I can lose. If I hit 500, no matter how many trades I take, no matter what no matter what, I just have to walk away. Even if your first trade of the day, you lose 500, you're just done.
Right.
That way, because it's also gonna like really force you to now be a lot more cautious of losing. Because now you're like, hey, if I hit my max loss $500, I can't trade anymore.
Yeah.
So now you're like, that way you're getting out of this habit where it's like, no matter like, oh, I'm just gonna keep trading until I fucking blow the account. right? Like I trust me, I like that. Everyone goes through that. I've gone through it. I still go through it sometimes. And
I think it's something you have to go through.
Yeah.
Like you actually have to suck at
But
trading.
You have to blow
in
up
order
at
to be
least
good.
one,
yeah, well, it goes back to the theory of like, how much money do you make, you know, like on a good day?
Right.
And then you need to figure out basically like, okay, if I make $1,000 on average, so then there ain't no fucking way in hell I can lose more than $1,000 in a day.
Yeah.
Like I got traders all the time like, Patrick, man, I have this problem, you know, where I keep losing all this money. And I'm like, okay, well, like, what's, you know,
Just
like
stop.
how much money do you normally make? He's like, well, I never make any money. I'm like, well, yeah, that's not good. If you're losing $1,000 a day, but you've never made $100, that is something's very wrong.
You might want to stop.
So it's like, you gotta, if you're not profitable, your goal should get to a point of like just having a $100 loss day, right? If you have a $100 loss day and you do that consistently for a month, like you're going to be in a lot better place mentally, emotionally, financially than the guy who's having $1,000 loss days.
Yeah.
And that doesn't, like, even if you're not learning how to be a better day trader, at least you're like doing something consistently. Right. Where the guy who's like up 500, down 1,000, up 500, down 1,000 every day.
It's always a gamble.
He has no fucking idea. He has nowhere to even like start. Like you yesterday with Greg, it was like, Greg, you know, we're looking at your chart, like you took way too many fucking trades. And you're like, yeah, I know. So like today you're like, now you're looking at it, you're like, oh, wow.
Yeah.
Right? Like, wow, that's like,
dialed in.
This is what trading should look like.
Yeah.
You know, should look like this. It should not look like a bunch of fucking entries everywhere. And look, now 350s. So it's just, it's so hard to know when the market's going to go from basically going nowhere to then going somewhere.
Yeah.
Right? Like that's the hardest part. That is like the hardest part of trading is being able to be like, okay, the market's going nowhere, so I'm taking profit. And then being like, okay, the market's going somewhere.
This is
I'm
a good
gonna
place.
hold longer.
Let's
you know?
try. Yeah.
But it also goes back to like the coulda, the shoulda, the woulda. You know, I can look at my P&L and be like, hey, I'm up $2,700 in that new FT account, in the new account here. I'm up $2,700. Like that's awesome, right? That's a good first day of the account. Could I have made more? Maybe. I also could be red on the day.
Squeeze it out.
You know, I also could have I could have also lose more.
Blown it up.
So I don't think you can really always. It's just like, yeah, the coulda, the shoulda, the woulda. People always love to. Burke, turn on that other camera. See if it'll work. I think my car delivery's here. But yeah, you can't. The coulda, the shoulda, the woulda, right? How many times do you sit there and go, oh man, if I would have just held that trade.
Right.
But also, what did you do? You entered a trade. You took 20-point profit.
It's better than nothing.
It's not even about being better than nothing. You saw a setup. You took a trade. You made money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. And that's like that's
all
all we're here to do.
That's it.
Right.
We're
That's
not
the
here to
beautiful
fucking
thing.
buy the top, sell the bottom. Like we're not here for that. We're here to fucking get in and get out. Get in and get out. You know. So that's like the biggest thing for trading is just you'll be 100 times better off.
Find that wave.
Well, you'd be 100 times better off just accepting, right? Being happy, right? What'd it say? No, shouldn't. Just press OK. Let me see if it'll work. Bring it over here. Let me see it. But you know what I mean? Like that's like the biggest thing at the end of the day is just no memory card. I got to turn on this part too, I think. All right, we gotta go outside for a little
field trip.
We're gonna see if this camera works.
You can go live on that?
We're trying to. Uh-oh, I think it's gonna work. I think it might work. Come on, baby. I saw a flash for oh, no signal. No good. Oh, we're back!
Awesome.
Probably gonna be like double music now. I gotta turn this off for a second. All right, now we're back. All right, what do we got? All right. I don't know how the audio's gonna sound, but we're gonna try it.
I think it should be fine.
My ears! What do we got? It's the man, Mr. Burke.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Buywithburke.com for all the latest and greatest deals. If you're here to buy a car, this is the man to do it. All right, what we got? Let's go. What do we got out here today, sir?
So today we got Patrick a new daily driver.
A new daily. Not
The Volkswagen.
dude.
I think you wanted a Volkswagen.
Not the Volkswagen. Whose car is that?
A Tiguan.
That's Alice's car?
That's Alex.
What the fuck is Alice's car getting detailed? What the fuck?
An Audi RSQ8.
Sir, I just had the truck detailed. You brought me the dirty car.
I was no. It's got clean.
All right, so we got a new vehicle here. A new vehicle. Wait, what? This the key for it?
It's your new key?
This is gonna be Victoria's car, actually. Is it fast?
Dude, it rips. Stage 2 tune.
Is this for the dildo?
That's the dealer fee included.
It's pretty nice. Oh, look, it has a fucking lighter too.
Yeah.
You can smoke the J's in it.
Go ahead, fire up.
Drop him.
No, you don't pop in. Ooh, I like the little burpy burp.
Click the RS mode.
Oh, it wasn't even the right mode?
Right here.
Oh, now
and then it'll change.
Oh, now it's open.
Nice.
Woo! See you later.
Bye, bye.
I know, I was scared. Should I launch it?
Launch it.
Launch it!
What do you think of it?
Dude, ripping, man. That sound is insane. Is it live right now?
Yeah, it's live right now.
Yo, what's up? That's crazy.
Kind of fast.
Dude.
Kind of fast, not bad, not bad.
It's loud. Phenomenal sound.
Is it loud?
It's gotta go.
Is it loud on that fucking gay thing? As a car dealer, how do you feel about this car? Yeah.
Teslas are the worst.
Oh, the worst!
I'm sorry. They are. Just the resale's horrible.
Shoot, but yeah, that's
But they do great though. Listen, you go to point A, point B, they're cheap money.
Right.
But for a resale standpoint, you're screwed.
Yeah. Well, I got mine for 40 though. I got mine like when it was all dropping. I got a phenomenal price for mine.
Let's go make some real money.
Hey, I got the 2 keys are in there ready to go. It's clean, fucking perfect for you to sell. So
Go make some money.
thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. May have to sell this one next.
Really?
I don't know. What else? This or the McLaren? I feel like this is probably the better option.
I gotta keep the McLaren for sure.
Keep the McLaren for sure?
I say keep them both. Start counting the collection.
No, I know, but if there was a car I was going to sell, it'd be this one. I mean, this one's ready to sell.
Ready to go.
The funny part is how different this car looks than when we first got it.
Dude, it looks so good.
I think the yellow headlights turned out sick.
Yeah, they came out.
It's something different.
Yeah,
I like the wheels.
Anybody can have cool wheels, but can you have carbon fiber wheels? That's when you know you're real rich. When you got carbon fiber wheels, that's when you know you're rich.
Well, listen, man. Before I leave here, I'll buy it off you.
Okay.
That's on mine too.
Greg's buying it. All right, we're back. I can't even see. What do you guys think? Likey? Did it likey, chat? Likey the car? Did it sound? Did it work on the camera the whole time? Did you guys hear how fast I went?
That was a throaty girl. I liked it.
Sir.
Who? The car.
Bro, I got my 12-year-old here. Throaty girl.
Throaty girl. We weren't actually checking
Volume
cars
was low.
out there.
We
Sounded
weren't
sick.
checking.
The Tesla's the best looking on the lot. Get the fuck out of here.
Look at that.
That's some real bullshit.
That's what we hear.
All right, now we get a little pullback. We pushed up there to the 350, 340s. I don't know. I think I'm done for the day trade, and I think Alex said he was going to be done after a few trades today as well. So
yeah,
let's stick
I'm
with
locking that in.
That motto.
Walk away green.
There's been too many
The
days.
keys should be in it, Burke. Oh, hey, I also got to get something out of the back before you leave. Once you pull out, I just got to pull it out real quick because I can't do it right now with the fence. Did you pay for that drink, sir? I'm going to get a vending machine for those things. All right, we got the RSQ8. I'm trading the Raptor. I got the Raptor R. I have two Raptor Rs. It's a funny story, I know. I didn't like the one Raptor that I got, so I bought another Raptor because I wanted the blue Raptor.
Yeah.
I didn't think the gray would look sick,
Yeah.
like all lifted and stuff. So I bought another blue Raptor that we're building like in a crazy fucking Baja truck out of it, putting like $100,000 worth of like upgrades and suspension and full fucking engine, all the crazy stuff. So let's do a little recap here. Now that we're all here hanging out,
whole squad is green on the day.
look at that little push right back up
Whole
here
squad is
again.
green.
Fucking A.
Should we enter?
If it was like 1040 right now, I might take that trade. But the fact that it's 1140
This one right here
gets
you
me
like
scared.
It looks nice.
I mean, I think it. Yeah,
I like it too.
We're already popping back up. We're right there at that pivot point, though. Turn the page, man.
Turn the page. Lock it in. My biggest, I'd have like 4 days in a row where I'm like, you know, I've hit my goal.
Yeah.
And I need one more day to get a payout.
And then blow it.
And just blow it.
Always. That's
Like,
what they do, though. They
I'll
do
be
that on
up-
purpose.
Yeah, for real. I'll be up 100 and it's like, I could walk away right there.
Yeah.
But I want more.
Little,
And you get
little
greedy
more.
and just
a
overtrade.
little more.
Well, I mean, trust me, this is why prop firms make so much money.
Right.
Because people just cannot stop themselves. I ask people all the time, I'm like, how much money do you make when you work? They're like, I make like $5,000 a month. So I'm like, why the fuck are you trying to make $5,000 in a day?
Right.
You know, think about that. Like, people will literally work an entire month to make $5,000, but they won't be happy making $100 a day trading for 1 hour. And I'm always like mind blown. I'm like, what's your goal? Like, oh man, I want to make $1,000 every day. I'm like, but why?
Why?
Like, you make $5,000 an entire month, and then you're freaking out because you can't make more than $1,000 a day trading. Like, it's just it gets very. I don't know why
It's a
people
mental thing.
get
Yeah,
into this.
gotta
Why do they get into trading thinking they're gonna make, $1 million in one day?
Because they want to live like PW.
They're not
That's
ever
it.
going to. Even if you fucking were the best trader in the world, you still won't live like I live.
Jeez.
And that's the truth. That is literally the truth. You could be the best trader in the whole fucking world, and you still would not be as rich as me. And that's just the truth. Fuck, I kind of like.
It did do.
Kind of want to do a long here. Oh, it's so close. I think she'll definitely make new highs now. You're tempted to? Everyone's tempted.
whole
That
squad
might be
is-
a bad
the
sign.
whole
That could be a
squad is-
sign. That could be
Yeah.
a sign from the heavens
Everyone-
above.
And then we all walk away red.
Yeah, exactly. Walk away red. The 5-minute chart, fucking look at that thing. Pulled right back 300s, pushed
300.
right back up 340s. Wait for the pullback, they said. Why are you gonna? Don't tell me to wait for the pullback, chat. Don't you tell me how to live my life. Taking a long here. Just gonna. Don't you guys do it. Don't you do it. I'm doing it because I'm crazy boy. I'm a crazy boy. For entertainment purposes, I want to see if we can't push that 350 area next. What percent of accounts get blown? All of the accounts get
90,
blown. 100%.
probably.
Most
Well,
prop
actually,
firms,
yeah.
they only have like a 10% passing rate, or probably less than that, to be honest. I might try to add, if we pull back here, like 30s or so. Kind of like hard stop would be like that 320 area, but see if we get some continuation up through the 340s next, and then kind of looking for that 350 area, which is still not even at yesterday's high. Yesterday's high is 390s. So this is one of those trades where this is one of those, could be a walk away trade.
Yeah.
Could just be one of those trades you just set it and you forget it.
Just
because
leave it alone.
are you really going to stare at it while it tries to push, you know? Probably
See how it
not.
looks tomorrow. Wow.
I don't know. There it goes.
There you go.
Maybe.
Or it'll just
Or
do
just
that.
do that. Or
Just do that, you
just
know?
hit it right away.
Just do that right there. You know, hey,
Dang.
I might not always be perfect, boys, but when I'm good, I'm good. You know, when he's good, I told you 350s wanted to go there. It was just, I don't know. But see, here's the thing too. Experience, my friends. It's experience. I can't sit here and tell you why, other than the fact that I just thought that it would go higher. I mean, we did have a little like micro pullback. We're above the EMA, but like,
you've seen it a million times.
I've seen it so many times, right? I've seen it so many times, and especially those whole numbers, 350, 400. Basically, like, it's a weird thing.
Yeah.
The market loves to like hit these little like middle numbers, 50, and even like the 8. Like if we break through, let's say we break through 300. Like, where's the ideal pullback? That ideal pullback kind of always ends up like 80, 90s. Yeah. It's like the 20 points below the whole numbers, but then the middle,
just to get the stops,
the 50 number, still same thing. You'll see the 50 a lot of times turns into resistance. It's like basically like the price is, you have the 100, and then you have the 50, and then you have the 100 again. And it's like those little areas always kind of get those weird prices. Yeah, it's sold right there at 350 on the dot. Gotta love prop firms, baby. The best fills always. So on the day right now, we're up $3,000 in two of these. Well, $6,000 in two of the funding ticks. I don't know why I always try to say fast track, but it's funding ticks. FT, I see FT and think fast track, but it's funding ticks. Right now, they have the new accounts, the one account. There's no payout cap. There's no consistency rule. You can pass the account in one day as well. So I think we've had a lot better day today. Right? Is that just me?
I just feel way better.
Just a lot. This is me, maybe.
That was good.
It was a good day.
It was a good day.
I'm not gonna lie. I was getting a little down on myself yesterday. I was telling my girlfriend, I'm like, man, this, maybe this mentorship wasn't a good idea.
It's
hard.
It's tough.
It's hard to like trade live, to do the live stream, to
explain
entertain people,
what you're doing, entertain
also
everything.
like try to help you guys. Like. To be honest, like I made no promise to you guys. I was like, look, come to the BDH.
Come on
what
in,
happens.
hang out.
I have no idea what's going to happen here, right? You guys could leave here worse off than you were, but I do think that you're going to at least learn something. You're not going to be fucking market wizards when you leave, but I think you're going to leave with some type of.
I think we're getting a solid grasp.
I've learned just one thing even today, not to, if it's going down, not to just buy at a specific spot. Wait for that candle to go. And give you some confirmation. I mean, I didn't even think about that before.
Yeah, to give you the confidence to.
I just wanted to get in.
Like if the market's going to go higher, what has to happen?
You need a higher low.
Well, but the candle has to like break the previous candle high, right?
Right.
So it's like if the market's moving down and it's not breaking the previous candle high, like, okay, well, just wait for that to happen.
Right.
It's like people love to overcomplicate this shit because like, oh man, the market's moving down. I'm gonna try to buy the dip, but I'm like, why? It can't go up until it breaks the previous candle high.
Yeah.
Like no matter what, even if you try to buy the dip and you're like the best fucking dip buyer in the world, that market still has to get above that previous candle high. Either way, so it's like, why overcomplicate it? Why like this trade right here? Like not this trade, but like this setup right here. We're pulling back. Let's say you're sitting there and you're like, okay. I'm gonna buy long at the 320s because I think it's gonna pull back, right? Pulling back here into the 320s, I'm gonna get long. But you're like, why? Because look, it keeps going lower. And then it's funny because it ends up kind of making a new high through the 320s again. So, but it's like, you probably would have got stopped out, or we would have got stopped out, right? If you would have got long at 320, you got stopped out probably right at 300.
Yeah, 100%.
And then what happens, then it goes higher and you're like, fuck.
Yeah, and then you're all ahead of fuck too.
It went higher.
Look at that candle. Yeah, keeps going.
So that's the way I look at it. I think it's a pretty easy argument. Like, hey, this shit ain't going to go higher until it breaks the previous candle high. And then I love these types of little pullbacks too, where you get these like little candle pullbacks. So you get like kind of a push. And then this candle right here, this is only like a 5-point candle. Still going higher, 360s now. Again, but what we get, that little candle, right? It's that little like doji, that 346 candle right there. It's kind of lagging me talking, but like right there. See that little thing?
Yeah.
Perfect doji.
That's just telling you that like, hey, if we break that previous candle high, that we going higher.
Right.
Right. Like it's like, look, we still going higher. 360s now. 370s maybe next. I gotta see something real quick. You guys keep talking to the chat.
Nice.
Oh, it is going now. It is going. Yeah,
Come over here real quick. Just go completely rogue. But watch and say you make them $2,000. Yeah, so now I'm zooming out and scrolling hard to the left. What the hell do we have over here? Yeah, there's almost a consolidation phase up to 400 yesterday.
You're going to go long all the way up here, huh?
He's bored and he's ready.
That's it.
He's bored and he's ready. Yeah, dude, you killed it.
There you
man.
go.
You killed it. Yeah. Because there's good momentum and everything. I understand it. But these are the silly ones too that I'd be like, fucking FOMO and jump in right now, and then it does pull back to the 347 or something, and then it curls back up.
Yeah, because where would your TP be if you were to get in right now?
Right, yeah, it would probably be 400. Yeah, I guess it'd be 400. Just zooming out and scrolling to the left, I'd probably go with 400. But I still don't think, it would be a terrible entry. I would definitely wait until it comes back to 350 or something. Kiss the EMA. Or again, Greg yesterday would have been like, you know what? It's coming down. We're going short. The stop is at 400, and we'll just let it ride. We're not doing that today, chat. Now we're educated. Was a good shout out to PW's course. The $199 course is phenomenal. It's really, really good. I blasted through 6 hours of it yesterday. I have another 3 hours of it to go through today. Really good course. Not even fluffing it up. Very, very good.
He didn't tell you to say that.
No. Yeah, of course not. We are going to make an agreement later. I get 50% of all the courses. But
anything that's sold today.
Anything that was sold past 11:53, 75% Greg.
Yeah.
Literally.
That's good.
Cameraman with the jokes. Use code SMILES. I love that. Oh my God.
I'm shutting it down here. I'm not going to take any more trades.
Yeah.
Smart decision.
Not unless the Godfather is back.
I'm up 350 in my
That's good, man.
Funding Ticks account.
Yeah.
Wasn't bad.
That's a good
and
day.
then 523 in my Fund of Futures.
How many trades did you end up making today?
Four trades, I think.
Yeah. Nice, dude.
What? I'm up 350 in my Funding Ticks account, which is the eval, and I'm up 523 in my Fund of Futures, and that's my funded account.
Nice.
So I need 2 more days of profitability to get a payout for that one. So I got to be super disciplined Thursday and Friday. Super disciplined.
That's nice. I'm up 76 today, so a heck of a lot better than yesterday, right? But the thing I'm most proud of is, again, my profitable trades, 89.47% on profitability for my trades today. Phenomenal. So super excited about that. Trajectory is going in the right direction.
So I want to ask how much fun we're having. I mean, this is obviously a crazy, awesome opportunity. When I got the news that I was coming here, I was in shock. I didn't believe it. So it's awesome. The place is awesome. Patrick could be obviously just sitting here trading by himself. He didn't have to do this.
Yeah.
He's has us here, and he's given us all the knowledge. So it's super cool, and I'm super grateful.
Hell yeah. Great opportunity. And super fun, too. Super, super fun. Great vibes.
Great vibes. We're making some money.
Learning a lot, making some money, smiling a bunch. Killing it. Killing it in the chat. Flossing with garden hoses.
Is today your birthday?
Tomorrow.
No, tomorrow.
So Man, just took over Patrick's seat.
Literally ready to kill.
Landon, how'd you do today?
Good.
He was up 1,000.
Up 1,000. Only like 5 trades. I would have been up a lot more if I didn't take that short in the morning.
And you were micros or minis?
Minis.
Yeah,
I trade one
you were.
mini.
He doesn't trade micros, man.
Dude, I know.
I used to
chump
trade
change for him.
micros, but I traded 5 micros when I did. I think the minis are nicer.
I almost think the minis are nicer too,
I like
man.
the minis.
They
like,
are, but you can also
You can
lose an
you can lose
account
less
just like that.
And that would have been this morning, right? If this morning, if I
Yeah.
you know, I would have blown it up.
You can't hold on to those losers as long when you're in the
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
minis.
then I
just
feel a lot
traded
more
3 micros.
nervous too, holding the winners as well. Because like the second you get, I mean, same thing. The second it gets above like $800, you're like, all right. I mean, that's a good day. Let's maybe sell here.
Yeah. Are you talking about with minis?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
The good thing about the micros is you can just test and play around with them.
Yeah,
Really.
it's like sandbox mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree too. I know it's crazy to see your dad's fluctuations sometimes. He'll enter a trade. And he's like a second later, he's like down 3,000, 4,000. He just holds it. And then, you know,
It doesn't
3
face
minutes
him, though.
later.
He's like, this is going to go back.
Yeah, and there's like, all right, I guess I'll come out at 4.
Exactly.
Nice.
Market's going nowhere.
I hope they have your car done too, by the way.
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got to roll out.
Yeah, PW detailed all of our vehicles today. Classy guy.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Super cool. I'm going to stay in.
We gotta sound like a mobile masseuse here
Thanks
on
for
Friday.
the
or something.
$2. I would definitely go to a good cause. Buy a good snack with that.
Nice,
Cool.
dude.
Hey. That's cool. Yeah, what are you looking for? What are you hoping to get like present wise?
Present wise?
Yeah. Like what's your style?
Fishing stuff really. I just
Do you?
fish, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Pretty
What do you
much all.
target? Like bigger stuff or
Well,
do you do small
when I'm
fishing around
down,
here?
more because I live in Orlando mainly, so
Yeah.
I fish for bass there.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
When I'm down here, tarpon, everything, and
Dude,
then we
I've
go offshore,
fished.
everything.
I've
yeah.
gotten some tarpon down here, man.
Yeah,
That's a crazy
tarpon are
fight
fun.
too. Those are fun.
Yeah.
What lake are you fishing in Orlando?
I'm just kind of fishing all the ponds
Yeah.
around me.
Dude,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Those ponds just off to the side of the road and
Yeah,
stuff like that.
exactly.
You
It's
can
fun.
crush
you just go,
it.
You can
Yeah.
go to multiple a day.
Yeah,
Like,
and
you
the
can-
variety you get too, it's
Exactly,
insane.
yeah.
You have no idea. Somebody showed actually there was a black tip like reef shark or something like that in one of the ponds in Orlando.
ponds?
Yeah,
Really?
like some asshole a fisherman must have caught it or something and decided to release
Really?
it. And it's just brackish enough that the thing's surviving.
Yeah.
All right, what the fuck
Nuts.
is going on here?
Dude, he just full ported 20
dude.
contracts.
It went higher.
Full ported.
Yeah, it did.
Y'all were making fun of me for getting long there earlier at the 36s. Look at it, went to the 80s. Well, I think today a great example or a great lesson that we learned is going back to the morning, right? Fucking trying to get short into that VWAP. Like we got short like right there with that little bear flag, wanted to go down, but it was not the spot. It was not the way. So
It was not it.
if we would have avoided that, then we would be sitting real pretty right now.
Yeah, it'd be a great day.
So
Still a pretty darn good day.
we're learning.
Don't
every day a little
short into
learning.
VWAP.
A little more.
I mean, it's kind of like even now is like another little fucking bull flag, huh?
Don't tease me with a good time.
Is it going for that 400 push?
I think so.
ES is pulling back. NASDAQ's pulling back. Be hard to get long here, though, especially when I was just long at the 36s. Just be hard, you know. I don't like taking those hard trades. 370 wants to go, but I don't know. I'm scared.
There's bears.
I'm scared. Greg, hold my hand.
There's bears in these woods.
And then look at the,
Oh, and it is
the
dropping down,
expansion
too.
when we expanded out of that fucking opening range this morning. I mean, just
Yeah, I mean,
Ooh.
non-stop. Green.
Yeah, that would've stunk.
What a time to be alive.
At the BDH live. on
Good kid
YouTube.
equals good parents. Hey, you know, I told Landon all the time, like, look, you do some stupid shit, you make me look stupid. So
Don't do.
I don't
dumb
like
things.
being made. I don't like looking stupid. You know, I don't like looking stupid.
Don't diddle in
somebody
the middle.
donated $2.
$2 for Landon? You
Yep.
got $2, Landon? For your birthday? Happy birthday. All right, we're up to $2.
$2 flex.
$2 for Landon's birthday.
$2 flex.
Patrick, what's your opinion of Tory trades? People they just be trying to bait me into that.
They do. I love it, bro. It's
every
so
day
funny.
now. People comment. Patrick, tell us about Tory trades. I'm like, go fuck yourself and go fuck Tory trades. We got Landon's birthday happening tomorrow at the BDH live. How many 12-year-olds are turning 13 at the BDH? I'm gonna get him some more BDH shirts to wear to school. Tell the teachers. Teachers like, Landon, what's that? What does BDH stand for?
What does it say?
It's my dad's company. He laughed. Ooh. That's my daddy's company. Oh. Just if they ask to say it doesn't mean anything. Look at that. $20 for Landon now. That's what he needed.
That's what I needed.
I needed that $20.
Why does he have stripper glitter on him? Come on, guys, calm down.
Yeah, I'm all good.
All
Cool,
right,
thank
you
you.
out of here? Hard stop? 12
Yeah,
o'clock?
hard stop.
Hard stopping.
Hard stop.
He's hard stopping. Just going to be me and the smiling guy for
Me
the
and
next
Smiles?
15, 30 minutes.
Me and Smiles.
Smiles.
See what we can get.
VIP service.
All right, cool.
Well,
See you guys tomorrow.
yeah, we'll see
See
you
you,
tomorrow.
buddy.
Good work today.
Good job,
Good work
man.
today.
It was a great day.
Either way,
Great day.
you're green. That's all that matters. So
Green on
walking
both
away
accounts.
green, gonna handle business, and a clean car. So
Yeah, appreciate that.
yeah, hey,
yeah.
here at the BDH, we like to always be looking good, feeling good. You know. There you go. Take care of the guests. I can't make you a millionaire, but I can make your car clean.
I'll be 1,000 there. That's cool.
There you
Okay,
go.
there you go. 1,000 air. Good work today. Good work. Thank you, sir. See you tomorrow. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Get it again tomorrow. We're going to get it again tomorrow, boys. Live on the YouTube. $20 from Kelly Kaufman. Thanks to Kelly for a $20 tip.
Man.
I'm going to spend that real good. I mean, I'm going to give it to Landon. What? Is it gone to 400 yet? Not yet. It's trying to. I don't think. I think it's time for Chipotle is what I think.
Chipotle.
Hold along and then go Chipotle. Wow, you really
What are the rules with prop firms and holding overnight? Can you hold
you
overnight?
can't hold overnight.
Oh, they
It'll
don't allow
basically
it.
lock you. It'll cut you off by the end of the day.
Oh, okay. It'll just
Yeah.
auto sell or something.
It'll just automatically sell
Yeah.
pretty much when the market closes. Because the problem with that is if, like futures basically close at 5 and then reopen at 6.
Yeah.
So a lot of times if you get volatility and get crazy action, you could have like the market could reopen and there could be a huge
Just
gap and you
completely
could
different.
lose a
Yeah,
ton of money.
yeah.
So that's kind of the reason they cut people off.
Makes sense. Get people deep into that.
Even
red.
like in my personal account, I don't ever hold
Yeah.
through the 5 to 6.
Yeah.
You can always, if you're long and you want to hold overnight, you just fucking wait for 6 o'clock open and then
Yeah.
you can always
See confirmation.
just buy again,
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't. Some of the brokers actually will charge you a fee as well, which is not fun. Well, I mean, it's just what's crazy is again, just how nice the market started moving after 10:30, right? So after all that chop and all that bullshit this morning, look at the move now.
Just got into a solid.
It's just
trend.
been grinding higher.
And then never.
Everybody was bearish
Never
this
broke that
morning too.
support
Everybody
either.
was like, when we were down there at 200, everybody I saw the chat was like, man, look at that. Up, man, look at that.
Sold too soon, Junior.
Uptrend, look for the bull flag. Downtrend, look for the bear flag. There you go. Simple answers. PW, red day yesterday. PW, green day today. Hey, a little bit of red, a little bit of green.
That was me as well.
I was green yesterday, yes. I think they're talking about themselves. Apple is popping. Is it popping? I'm long on Apple in my one of my retirement accounts.
Man.
Holy shit. Apple is popping, baby. We're going to be rich. It's up 5% on the day.
Man, CoreWeave, that was another one. I bought CoreWeave at like 36, sold it at 50, and it went to 150 like 10 days later. That thing ripped.
The amount of people that comment still on Twitter asking what BDH stands for. I'm like, how do y'all not know now? Is it like, hey chat, does everybody not know? You know?
I didn't know, man. When I first saw it, it was like BDH. I was like, man, what does that stand for? Is that Big Dick House? I was like, that can't be Big Dick House. What
you
is that?
You didn't know it was Big Dick House?
No, I mean, like my first day on stream, right? I had no idea. I was just watching
Wait,
you.
the first day you came here, you didn't know there was a Big Dick House?
No. I'm saying the first day I watched you on
the first
stream,
day you watched me,
and you
I was
kept
like,
talking
shit.
about it, and I was
I'm
like,
you came to this
no, I
mentorship
was like,
without knowing where you're coming to?
Yeah, I knew.
When you walked in, it was just full of dildos and big dicks everywhere.
I was like, oh,
what the fuck? I signed up for the wrong mentorship.
Like Diddy's Palace.
Yeah,
oh,
Diddy's
shit.
Palace. Diddy's home.
I don't know what we were
coming into. That was that shirt
into.
Alex got me. Diddy's home.
Yeah, Diddy's home. Just squirting lube left and right. You still look? Oh, they're on your hat, bud. You looking for your sunglasses still? Oh.
Forever. I needed to make $1,000 more to pass the funding ticks accounts.
Trying to do it today?
No, I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna be a good mentor. I'm gonna be a good mentor here.
No degen trade.
Today we've got the new funding ticks 1 account. This is basically an eval that you can pass one day. You can pass the account, and then your profit target is 4,000. End of day trailing loss is 1,000, but your max daily loss is 1,000. So 1,500 for end of day, but $1,000. If you hit the max loss, you lose the account. So but you get no consistency, no payout cap, and then no rules. The only rule really is you just can't lose more than $1,000 in a day.
Just don't lose money.
Yeah.
Just don't lose.
Don't lose more than 1,000 a day, then you're good.
Yeah.
So PW only 5% on MFFU. I think yes, MFFU changed the deal. It is no longer 25%. Apologies. All right, how do you feel, Greg, after a successful day? Do you feel FOMO? Do you feel like you could have made more money?
No, not at all. I feel so much better. Obviously,
Yeah.
I
Good
definitely.
day.
I'm getting like I want to hurry up and get out of the micros and into the minis.
Yeah.
You know, but then I also understand. I mean, literally, that would have blown up my account probably on that very first trade if I did anything more than 2 or 3. You know.
It would have definitely blown the account first trade.
So hopefully, I would say next week, Monday, maybe we'll graduate to minis. We'll keep them to like 1, and eventually we'll scale into 2 so that I can sell them at different.
Yeah, it's just hard. It's hard to trade 1 mini.
Yeah.
Because then you have no scaling it. Then there's no
right. You can't.
you can't
get out at different times
trim
and
out
stuff. Yeah.
So I would say the best thing to do is if you want to trade 1 mini, trade 10 micros.
Yeah, that makes sense because then it's
And then
like
you can
half,
scale.
right? Yeah.
Out.
That's true. Better plan. That's what we'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll upgrade to 5s.
Well, hey, how about we just next week? Let's have a few days of green in a row here,
Few
Greg.
greens. Get excited.
Greg's like, all right, I'm ready for five contracts. I had 1 green day, boys. 1 green day. It's only up from here.
Listen, man.
I cannot lose.
I'm ready to ride monsters, Pat.
I cannot lose.
I'm a peacock, Pat. Let me fly.
Let me fly. Peacocks can't even fly. Peacocks don't fly very well, actually. All right, well, I mean, it's 12:10. As much as I like hanging out with you and seeing your beautiful smile, I do feel like
miss it tonight.
It might be a good time to walk away here. I mean, other than the first trade at open or the first that short at open, everything since we've crushed.
Solid trades.
We have every single thing was great. What do? We had a very clear lapse of judgment. And the funny part is I even talked about it. I was like, I don't love shorting into the VWAP, but I'm going to try it. So that might be a good little
don't God mode it.
Good little like
reminder
of like, hey, if there's some type of little voice in your head telling you like, hey, this might not be a good idea.
But yeah, man. I'm re-looking at it. Yeah, re-looking at it now. It looks so obvious now, right? So
well, yeah, it's always
so obvious.
It's so obvious in hindsight.
Yeah, that was a good day. And also, again,
NASDAQ just looks like it's on a tear trying to get to that 400 level.
I definitely appreciate the feeling of when you have the correct entry, knowing that you can hold it longer as well.
Yeah,
Like,
well, that's the thing too, is like when you have good entries, you can hold trades longer.
I'm not getting that pucker up feeling, you know?
Yeah, well, I guess you're like, I got a good entry.
Yeah.
Right, I got a good setup. I got a good setup so I can take a good trade.
Yeah.
The problem is the trades where you try to just get in and get out quickly. You normally don't
It's
have
a
a good
toss-up
setup.
gamble.
You don't
It's
have
just
like
a
a
toss-up
good,
gamble.
entry. So you're like,
There's
you
no
take
good
profit so quickly because you're like, fuck, I'm out.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Yeah.
I don't
See
like
green,
it.
good enough.
Yeah.
We did it.
Oh man, look, I'm out. You know,
Yeah.
so
I get that.
maybe risk half if you have doubt. Maybe.
Or maybe just don't go in if you have doubt.
Probably could be a thing too. Right now, we got news about a shooting in Georgia at one of the.
People are assholes. That's one of the reasons we homeschool our kids. Got too freaked out by all the bullshit.
Crazy, man. There ain't nowhere safe anymore.
Nowhere.
Got crazy people everywhere. Got one right here, actually.
Listen, the ones that smile. Those ones you
Hey,
those are the ones you
gotta
gotta freaking watch out
smile,
for.
man. The guys
You know?
that smile are the ones you gotta worry about. You know
Like
what
the
I
fucking
mean?
scream.
You gotta worry
scream
about
ass.
those ones.
Coming for you, Clarice.
All right, well, I mean, fuck. We can sit here longer and keep staring at it, or we could just walk away.
I like walking away, Green.
I like walking away.
like
What are you
walking
gonna do the rest of the day? Go drive your Tesla around and see how much electricity you can burn?
Have it drive me around? Yeah.
Little.
I gotta finish the PW course. I still got 2 chapters.
There you go. I
Two
like
chapters
that.
left.
Go. Still, you can be learning. You
Yeah.
know.
Take my copious notes. Gotta do some socials for the Orlando.
Someone said,
laser
PW,
shop.
just leave him here for everyone and go enjoy your day.
Could you imagine? You come back and I'm just fucking twitching and stuff.
Just
Like
smiling ear to ear.
10 accounts are blown. I listened to chat. They told me to go long and then short and then
that's-
double up
We are
long.
definitely not going to allow that to happen today. So there it is. Day 3. How you feeling?
Very good, man.
Feeling better?
Yeah, way better. I mean, again,
Well, because, like we said, like it was just, I think yesterday we got a little caught up in the sauce, a
yeah,
little excited.
Tilt trading. It's literally proverbial tilt
But
trading.
it's so nice today. It's like, even when you have that losing trade in the beginning, hey, look, there's Landon. There's Nana's Lake on the TV, Lake Fairview. Yeah, look, see, that's where my grandma lives on that lake, Lake
About to
Fairview.
go
That's
build a
funny.
dock.
Right there
About to
behind
put
me
some
somewhere.
posts in.
But yeah, it's when you're in the driver's seat, trading is so much easier.
Yeah.
Right. When you're seeing the setups, you're seeing your targets, you're seeing everything kind of playing out. Then it's like,
Yeah.
you're feeling good. You're in the driver's seat. The
Yeah.
worst thing to do is like be that guy who's trying to fight the market. You're trying to, buy the bottom, the top, whatever it is,
Yeah,
and you're
just guess,
chasing
guess,
it.
guess, guess,
you're going
guess.
in, you're going out, and it's like
Yeah.
you're just like you create this like FOMO, right? You create this like emotional FOMO.
And that was my probably biggest misconception as well is
Michael Gonzalez,
thinking-
the fit tea guy, saw my Nana 5 minutes ago.
nice.
What? Tell Nana I said, what's up, Nana?
Ooh. Uh-oh.
What's your old ass doing?
What's up, Nan?
Being old.
What's up,
just
man?
being Nana. What do
That's
nanas
cool,
do when
man.
they get old? They just be old.
They're just hanging
Every
out.
time I see her, it's like, yeah, I'm 85 years old.
But I'm trying that medical marijuana stuff now.
She actually does the drops.
Yeah, man.
I try to get her to smoke some joints. She's like, oh, I can't do that.
Give her a pen. She just needs a nice little pen.
She got the edibles.
Yeah.
The little edibles. I went to her house, ate some of her edibles, fucking passed out.
That'll
Nana
do
got
it to
me
you.
high.
That'll do it to
My
you.
Nana got me high.
She's a bad influence.
She's the best. She's the best. We got some guy, I can't even read that name, but he said he passed 2 evals with Patrick just in 4 days. Let's go.
Very nice.
Imagine Greg's smile if he was on PW's boat when it's a thong party. We can't be bringing Greg on the boat. He's got a wife, okay? Can't be doing none of that.
That's when I get
Can't be
that.
a bad
I get
influence.
super red too. I get red so quick, especially being
no,
a redhead. Like the
trust me,
second
I can tell you get red
dude,
quick.
you just go, whoop. You're like, ugh.
NASDAQ trying to get up there through that 80 level, just kind of chopping around up here at the highs. The ES, the NASDAQ, everything pushed up. But that's it. I think it's a good time to walk away in the green
Nice.
and come back to fight another day.
See if they have these cars done.
Oh, yeah, they're getting it done, baby. They're doing your car.
I think.
Ooh, the Tesla getting done
Woo.
today.
Getting out nice and pretty.
Getting the Tesla done. Gotta get Nana to the BDH. I keep telling her that. Bringing Nana to the BDH. You gotta make cookies for everybody.
Have her do some trades.
Nah, she's just gonna sit here and.
Can you imagine? She just kills it. You don't even know.
Interview her. Yeah, she watches the streams. She turns them off whenever I start talking crazy, but
she's the one that Pat actually learned from. She has the secret sauce.
She taught me everything she knows. Buy low, sell high, Nana.
See, you didn't tell me that day one that we needed to buy low and sell high. So that
it is a good strategy.
Mistake.
Kind of putting in a lower high right now. NASDAQ maybe pull back here a little bit. They can't, if they lose that 21 EMA there on the 1 minute chart. Apple going to the moon right now. Apple 214.93, almost 215 there.
Do you ever do the leverage, the AAPU?
No.
2x leverage.
Sir,
on
I am not a degenerate gambler.
I'm not a degen like you.
You degenerate gambler. Like, you ever trade that 3 times ETF, man? That shit is
Get it really going.
You don't even understand you haven't even earned money until you start trading the 3 times ETFs.
Just putting out a cigarette in your forearms.
Yeah.
Burn down 3 of them at one time.
All right, well, I'm gonna go drive my new car around, my new RSQ8.
Nice.
And have some fun. What do you want to do today, Landon? What should we do?
You get to drive the Audi today.
I think we're gonna go to Hibachi for your dinner tonight, birthday dinner.
Ooh.
Hibachi.
Catch some shrimp in your mouth.
Hibachi.
Start chugging the what do they squirt in your mouth?
The vodka.
Yeah, or the sake.
Sake.
Little sake.
PW ego checking everyone. I check everyone. Ego.
You
Put
gotta
them
check
out.
them. Check them at the door.
Someone says, can you do a video chat with Greg's wife?
Dude, she's super cute, man. She's a good looking girl.
A video chat.
Yeah, we can do a video chat with her.
Oh man.
And the goats, man. You can see.
I want to see the goats.
Listen, we'll do a.
Next time you come to the BDH, you gotta bring a goat with you.
We're gonna do a FaceTime. You can see the goats, the
Just have the
bees,
goat
the ducks.
in the live stream jumping around. What
Dude,
would
I
they do in here,
could.
you think?
They
Start eating the bushes?
Honestly, yeah, they would find these bushes real quick and just start munching on them. You'd have zero greenery left in this place.
They eat all my greenery. As long as they don't eat the money, it's all that matters.
But no, they love people too. They'd start pawing at you and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, you knew you had goats.
We got the editor over there filming live on YouTube.
Live on it.
Can't see him. His head's in the way. Don't show his face. The women are gonna go crazy for him. I told you. The other day I saw him. He was at a bar and he was telling everyone, "Yeah, I work at the BDH."
Yeah, you know the BDH.
Telling all the girls about the BDH. She's like, "Oh yeah, you want to come to the BDH? I got some cars, some Lambos.
I can show you. You can
I'm
sit
gonna
in
show
the
him
Lambo.
one day. He's gonna have like 3 or 4 girls hanging out at the BDH.
Whoa! Hey, you were supposed to be here today.
Yeah, what the fuck's this guy doing?
You're not supposed to be. I thought it was Friday.
Victoria's gonna be very upset, Jason. I cannot believe you brought all these topless women to the BDH.
That's what the cash is stashed
NASDAQ
for.
still, man. It's like, I hate this. It's hard to walk away.
I just want a
So
little more.
walk away. Apple.
I just want a little more.
You gotta see how much money I'm up on Apple right now.
Let's see how much money I'm down on PLTD.
Yeah,
right
you
now.
look at how much money you're down. Look how much money I'm up.
All right, let's see. Good old Fidelity. Let's see. Live on YouTube. Greg's down $200.
And woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
What'd you up?
We have $5,000 a day on Apple.
Nice, dude.
Up 5.8%. I put $100,000 into Apple recently for a long-term hold for my retirement account. My accountant, he was like, yeah, just invest it in slow-moving companies because you don't really want to invest it in volatile, crazy companies. And I was like, so pretty much I'm gonna go all in on Apple.
Just full tilt Apple.
He was like, yeah.
We're not sure about that one.
Are you sure? I was like, I mean, what else would you say?
Yeah.
He's like, well, I can't really tell you what to buy. I'm like, well, I mean,
It's
I
got
feel like
plenty.
Apple is a pretty good long-term hold.
Yeah, man.
And I like the fact that Apple has not even reached its all-time
That's what I was gonna
highs
say.
yet.
It's like 160s or something, right?
Yeah.
160s is what
And
you
again,
can
like
target.
I might be holding this for like the next 10 years.
It's a
This
good
is
hold.
like I can't touch this money anyway.
Apple's
for
not
like the
gonna-
next 30 years actually.
Apple's not going to disappear.
So I'm putting $100,000 into Apple today. If we go back 10 years ago, and if I would have bought Apple,
Oh, 260, not 160. That's what I'm saying.
I can't even do the math here, but if I would have bought $100,000 worth of Apple 10 years ago, let's start there. I'd be up 20,000%, 17,000%. I don't know if that's a good way to look at it, but because I'm still just like I'm a firm believer in like what else are you gonna buy?
Right.
Right. If like
Apple's good.
Well,
Google's good.
Not even Apple, but like what else are you gonna buy? You know,
if you cash out, what are you gonna put
for
in
like long term anyway?
Yeah.
Other than people be like, oh, buy real estate. I'm like, I don't like real estate, to be honest. Like I think
it's a lot harder to move your money out.
Well, I mean, look, I'm up $5,000 a day on Apple alone.
Right.
If I put $100,000 into a fucking duplex,
yeah,
like what am I gonna really make on that?
It's gonna take a while.
It's gonna take a long time. Yeah. So it's like, I don't know. I'm a firm believer. I like making easy money. Yeah. I don't think buying a residential house in today's market is the
especially
easy
not
money
anymore. That was me though. So I bought my house
10 years ago maybe, but now it's just,
I bought mine 6 years ago. 675. Sold it last year 1.2. That's a good flip.
Yeah, but
that's you can't do it anymore.
Yeah, but
you can't do it anymore.
You can do that, but it's like, what do you do with that money then?
Right.
Like literally, you know, like what are you gonna do with that money? Like, what are you gonna buy?
Well,
People always be like, "Yeah, man, my house went up 100%. I bought it for $300,000. Now it's worth $600,000."
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, so sell your house, and then what are you gonna buy? They're like, "What do you mean?" I'm like, okay, what are you gonna buy?
Yeah, where are you gonna go now?
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
You live in a gated community in fucking Orlando, and you have a community pool and all that. Like, if you sell your house today for $300,000 profit,
where's the replacement?
What are you gonna buy?
Yeah.
And they're like, what do you mean? I'm like, exactly.
Yeah.
You cannot buy, like, everyone gets so excited because like, I have all this equity in my house. But it's like, yeah, but where are you going to live?
You got to touch it.
Where are you going to go?
It. Right.
Like, there's no, like, what are the other options?
Yeah.
You going to move to the middle of fucking nowhere and buy a house? No. If you were used to living in a certain place in a certain, like, area.
And everything.
Like, if you live in Winter Park and you buy a house for $1 million and then you sell it for $2 million 5 years later, what are you going to do?
Right.
Move to Claremont?
Right.
You know, like, you're not going to be happy. So
Claremont's pretty good though.
Not if you're living on the lakes in
That's right.
Winter Park, you know.
But I'm on Johns Lake in Claremont.
I mean, you're good.
We got 3 acres.
I mean, no offense to you, but like, if you lived on Lake Maitland, you know, it's a little.
Well,
different.
we did. We lived on. So we were on Lake Hancock in Winter Garden.
Okay, well,
and it was a nice lake, but it was so small.
Yeah, that's
now
Winter
Johns Lake.
That's Winter Garden.
Johns Lake is fucking
yeah, but Johns Lake is huge.
Huge.
But again,
lake.
it's also you're in the middle of fucking nowhere.
Yeah.
The nice thing about Winter Park, living on the lake there, is you're like close to downtown, close to the airport. Like I gotta be. My rule of living is I got to be 15 minutes from the airport. Yeah. No matter where, like, it always has to be 15 minutes because I can't fucking like. You don't want to do that commute. No hour-long fucking ride to the airport. Yeah. Claremont to the airport is probably like what 45 minutes.
No, for me it's 30. But I'm literally
minutes. Don't lie. Why is he lying?
Yeah, listen, I got Johns Lake 50, and then I got the 27.
I know where it is. I know. Yeah. No, you're not good. You're all right. Yeah, but I was just like I like the.
You got a Costco right there.
Yeah.
Publix right out there. Motherfucker.
I like where I'm at now. I can literally ride my bike to Chipotle.
Yeah.
I'm in a good spot. I'm on the water. I got my boat in the backyard. I can literally jump on the boat, go to the Bahamas. Like, it's so fucking epic. I lived in Orlando and I was like, you go out wake surfing and you do fucking 100 laps on a lake and you're like, all right, kind of like I'm over it now. It's fucking being able to like jump on your boat and go to the Bahamas and go do all that shit and like you have the world.
And I've never wake surfed in salt water yet. I really want to do that because I heard the buoyancy.
No, it actually you have more buoyancy,
and you got the depth.
I wish if I had a boat, we could go fucking.
Dude, hey, listen.
Have you foil surfed?
I have.
Can you get up?
So the foil surfboard that I'm using is like 15 years old. It's real outdated technology and stuff like that. I could get up and stuff like that. I could never drop the rope though. Yeah. But it also had like the wing. This big or something. Actually, my goats are on it now. I have it in the goat field, and they jump on it all the time.
On the foil?
It's their toy now. It was a piece of shit.
Poor foil.
I know. It was very, very used.
Went to the goat yard. Yeah. All right. Well, the NASDAQ going nowhere. We're stuck below those 380s for now. I think it's a good time to walk away.
Wind your own down.
Grant Cardone would disagree with on this, but nowadays real estate is not a good source. If you actually look at Grant Cardone, the motherfucker is. He's so full of shit across the board. Yeah. Everybody acts like he's like the best fucking #1 real estate developer person ever, but let's be honest.
He's just good at marketing.
Yeah, he's made all of his money from selling fucking courses on how to get rich, on how to become a real estate developer, because again, it's like I tell people I made $1 million in payouts.
Yeah.
Right. $1 million in payouts with prop firms over, we'll say like a 1.5 year, 2 year period, whatever it is. And then you think about that, like that's a decent amount of money. But by the time you pay taxes, by the time you have your expenses, by the time you have everything else, like you're not living the life that people like you think you're living.
Yeah.
And then, so I try to always be like honest about that. Like the majority of my money comes from fucking the YouTube. There's a reason that I do the YouTube is because I make money doing it, you know, and it's like kind of the business of it. But yeah, to think that you're going to like live this billionaire lifestyle by trading.
Yeah.
It ain't going to happen.
Yeah.
I mean, I've talked to so many traders and they've all got other shit going on. Everyone's got like a business. They've got something like on the side.
Put the money in the steady grows and the equity grows and everything else. Yeah. I agree with you.
But yeah, the people that go to Greg Cardone, they go to like those 10X conferences and like you get there and you're all
they
pumped
get all
up.
fucking jazzed up.
I paid $1,500 for my 10X ticket. And then you get there and they're like, all right, look guys, so we didn't tell you.
It's all bullshit.
You're here, and actually, if you really want to get to the 100X level, you got to buy my other course.
The next course.
You got to buy my book.
Yeah.
My book's only $300.
And that's what really
get you
unlocks
to that next level. So
man.
There it is. Another day, another dollar. We're doing it live at the BDH. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go take Landon and have some fun. See what happens. Chipotle.
Woo, we did it.
We're out of here. We'll be back tomorrow morning doing it all over again.
Nice little bear flag playing out on the way out here.
Shit. Bear flag. Look at this guy. He's calling bear flags now. He got it all figured out. Bear flags, bull flags. He got it all.
I'm about to tow my boat here next week.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
You want me to bring it
down?
down?
The Tesla?
No, we got a Mercedes SUV too.
Oh yeah?
But it's honestly not big enough. It's a GLE 350.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And
not.
It's like,
it's
rated for like
need
7,000.
Need a 250. Need a 250, dog.
250.
250.
Real bad.
You're gonna get a 250 out of this.
Real bad.
All right, there it is. We're walking away. Green on the day. Greg's green. I'm green. Alex is green.
We did
it. The
it.
editor's green. Landon's green. Ginger might be green as well. Who knows? If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow morning for more action, more fun, and all of that fun stuff. I mean, we're just making money today. I feel like this should be illegal.
Right.
All right, like people don't understand like what we're doing here should be illegal.
And we having fun.
This should be illegal. Right? People will be just like, they don't even understand what they're getting here. It should be illegal. The value is through the roof. All right, well, I keep saying it, but I guess it's time. I don't want to walk away.
I don't want to do it.
We'll be back here tomorrow. Peace to the Middle East. Love you. See y'all later.
Kicking us out.
And like I said, right now we've got the funding ticks, 35% off the new one account. There is no consistency. There is no payout cap. All there is pretty much a hard daily loss limit. So be careful, be alive, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you when I see you. Peace to the Middle East.
was nothing to make believe. And the songs that we sang, they were written for you and me. Melodies on repeat, that's what I hear when you're by my side. Yeah, that's what I hear when you're by my side.